The time when I come and try bait up man thing and make man look like one clown, you see. I go on all over me, man. Nothing wrong if a woman want attention, but when you have fun, you don't know say you want attention. You know say when you have sense, you don't just move like on a donkey. I know some intelligent people that on my life, you know, but you see you don't love foolishness. When you just always act like on a donkey. I realize. I don't love foolishness, make you stay some man. Add her back. She can't blood clot add me too. On her program me for. She can't add me too. She have a problem and I don't know what go on. Me add her the first time and so when she come live she can't add me too. Yo. Oh man, why not upset me for man? I'm not tapping a man. Behave on yourself. Behave on yourself. Upset me. Come like you know a man go put on a little mascot suit. I don't know how I do. Put on a mascot suit. I take off my clown nose a long time. I don't wear a red nose, brother. Stop being man like me a yes man, bro. I add her a while ago, I tell her so when she restart, she add me back. Or not tell me if you add her again. For me not run up in a people. Me no business of who you be. Me love you and me respect you, but me not run up in a you. If you don't want to add me, you don't add me, but me not gonna add you. I saw me see it. I run back on nobody. I bear weed, me smoke, me can barely run. I forgot to say TikTok did chaotic, you know. Blood clot. I got a piece not really do over the app. Me this as bad. Me this as bad for things that me could have come. Have a good day, vibe. Me did so wrong. Me forgot to say over here the devil playground to rad. You can't over here and get peace. You see once you big, you can't get peace. As you come back, no matter how long you stay, as you come back, it's like a salt just lick you in your back. As you come back, it's salt just lick you in your back. You can't have peace over here, so I tell you. Cause me say, yo, the longer me take to come back, I better for me, no mix up or nothing. As me reach back, a man just take a salt back and bust made with it. Boy, me I tell you. You have so many days to come on life and be sad, and you choose today. You have so many days. If phone did it, we could have take up and call and say, Jay, Ray, Tete, blah, blah, you know. I would talk about it over phone. You know that way there? But no, that's too peaceful feel. We can't raise over phone. That's too much peace that. We have to take it over here, so not true. You have my 3 phone number them. You not call one of them. You not call one iPhone number them. I have the 3 number them. No man, pan the phone too peaceful. The phone that boring for you, not true. That boring for you, man. She said she call me. She never call me. That too boring for you. But yes, so she have to do it. She never call me. And so what? Nothing at all. That's my point. Big head woman. And my point. We never have to bring it over right or so. If there's a problem, you call me. And that me as a big head lady. If there's a problem, call me. You know have you over here so. Sweet lip. A man you look, you know. Me not really there with sticks and bone, you know. Go chew on some weight for your muscle. I'm black you. What you tell me about big lip boy? Go on. Listen to me now. You see if you're not slim, be respectful. Cause me feisty. Bad. Alright. Can't say me never tell you no. And the woman over there sit down with 5,000 people and nah add me if you tell me what the problem is. Your sister she don't like peace. She sit down over there with 5,000 people on her live. And me tell her, I say, add me when she fix her connection. And you realize she just over there and sit down. She don't like peace. She don't like peace. That man just a play victim. I don't know what I talk about, so I know what I'm doing. I not do nothing. I got reason to do know again. I not do nothing at all. I just talk how I feel. So if she play a victim, she waste her time. Because them don't not like me and her already. So I better she just be herself. Go on now, boy. Why me ever do this? Where's the problem?
When you say I problem, Jay, you over here talking, you know?
Oi, tone down your voice. What's the issue?
What?
What's the issue?
What's the issue with you when you attack?
Me say, you're too loud. Take time talk.
What you mean me too loud?
What's the issue?
There's no issue.
So, all of this for?
So with all of this for you start it.
Start what exactly?
Then you me hear the talk and I defend myself, bro.
What you hear me say?
You don't know what you say?
No, I want to see if you hear what me say. What me say? Stop read the comment section. Me I talk to you.
You nah read no comment section, sir. You know what? You know every word you say, Jay. Stop.
So tell me, you're angry about something. So tell me what me say. Watch out. Where you get dumped on me for? Stop read the comments, them. Watch out. So I can resolve this now. What go on? What happening?
And you tell me your problem, sir.
Eh?
And you have a problem and you over here attack a crocus bag of things, brother.
Why the crocus bag of things?
And I throw me on a bus and I style me neatly, brother.
Style it neatly how? Oh. Your content a story time? You do story time?
So my story time affect you?
You do story time?
No, my story time affect you?
Me ask you a question. You do story time?
When me ready.
No,
after
you don't do
first, long
story time. So
We
when you
are talking
can talk, are you want to put your business out there? Me only repeat what you say. Me not do nothing, you know. Don't just repeat what you say. Say if you don't want your business for the on the internet, where you can chat? I only think that me do repeat what you say. So you getting vexed over what you say? Me not understand that.
I saw you stay, man. You can't manipulate me, you know. My telephone now.
Manipulate if you want.
I saw you
Money?
stay, man. Yes, I manipulate people and go like
What me I go
you.
manipulate
I
you
ain't say
for?
nothing.
What me I go manipulate you for?
You pass my story time and gone at different levels. And
What me
higher
I go
levels you
manipulate
gone.
you for? Eh? Pick up a millions? I must that. What me I go manipulate you for? Know what you said before you say it, eh? Know what you said before you say it. How manipulation coming at this?
Yeah, we not do this now. What's the go? Yes. Yes. Anything else?
No, we are reason. How manipulation coming at?
Anything else? Me not reason. Me not go do this video. Me not go do this video. Cause me come and scream and look like me a clown. Me not clown, you know.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
try.
look like
Yeah, try. Go like you can use mind.
Oh
game,
yes,
man.
oi, stop reason with me donkey and reason with me properly. How me I make you look like clown? Remember me is a sensible youth. When you reason with me, I have to
Me
talk to
done.
them.
I mean,
How me I make you look like clown?
I mean, I don't speak.
You reason with me in a donkey way and you not give. Why? You said
What
this.
reason with donkey?
Can you reason in a donkey way, Sharky?
Are you the reason intelligent, huh?
The reason that me I try get from you, but you not give me the reason.
So you give me intelligent reasoning, or you
That's
give me
what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. Me I give manipulation reasoning.
Can you make it look like you don't say nothing? You do story.
Every manipulation reason
Yeah,
and
that
it's
you
all
do.
fall on. So what is the
That you're doing.
manipulation?
That's what you're doing,
What is
sir.
the manipulation? You know you're too much and you have to stop.
What?
You're too much and you have to tap, you know.
You're too much more than me.
You're too much and you have to tap.
You're too much more than me. And you too much. I don't know what
Yeah,
to say sometime out
you
of
have
your
to
mouth.
tap. Me say what you say.
Done that. Gosh. I don't even want to take off the comment section. I don't even want to get grief.
You didn't start telling me what you don't even want to get to. You don't even want to get to. Talk what you talk.
Nah,
In the
talk.
comment section I tell Diamond for cut. Why not come out from my life and go in a Diamond life then? Come out and go over for your life then no? Yo, one of the yo, you see him? Jano Star. Ah boy, pussy clout. So why me not too do over here so? That's why me not do over there up here, you know. That's why me not do over here so. Turn your hand back, man, Debs. Make it stay on, man. Put your hand back. What the problem? Me could solve it and pass. What the issue?
Good man, me nah no problem. Me wrong, me
So
wrong.
where you bring it over? You bring it over here for?
Are you bring it over here? Nobody come blame nothing.
Bring
about
what
me,
you
sir.
talk over here? How me for bring what your company internet con chat?
Yeah, be a standard. That is not the whole faction of argument. Yeah,
What
tax
the
you sick of me no
faction?
pay no mind. Stop be a standard. That is not.
Yeah, me talk so me sick, you know.
That one, that one me talk about. That have nothing
You
to
tell
do
me
with
say
the
there
sick
might be a
part.
deal with
And
business.
the
That me
sick
talk
part me a
about.
talk about, Jay.
Yeah,
Jay,
you say there might be a deal with business.
Can I have a chance to talk?
Yeah,
Me
reason.
not reason nothing about that part where me I talk about the sick part where you say me ignore you. That's my problem.
So now that you do, you say there might be a deal with business.
So then about
That
me
me say?
So then what me
So that me
do?
say?
So what
that
me
me
do?
say? That's why me say you reason with me donkey, cause of that me say.
So but what me when I do?
You say your dad Moby a deal with
I see him
business.
say you go tell me say me don't pay the bill of Moby when Kimmy going to the bill place together. And you go say me don't pay your Moby.
Or bill company internet. One way I know that about
Yeah,
bill
because
company
you
internet.
tell you everything you say me I tell lie,
Oh,
brother.
bill rich for the internet.
Because you say me I tell lie. Me, what you mean? Me not talk about yesterday over Instagram. What you talk about? Yesterday on Instagram we talk
Me
about.
not talk about it. It's a text message me send you and ask you.
Jay, me hear you on the internet yesterday about Instagram. You lose your mind. Yesterday when I said,
Diamond.
where you pay the bill? Where you
Diamond,
pay the
listen
bill?
to me. Chat. Before they get this confusing, listen to me. Me give that girl all of my money for save for me.
Everybody
See,
know
every
that.
bill, hold on, me a talk. Cause
Me tell them already.
the comment section don't think so. They make
They know me tell them say I hear
hold
money,
on,
them
me
know.
chat. Cause me no want to no feel like say
Yeah,
I fear
everybody
money.
knows say I fear money. The whole world knows say I fear money.
Yeah?
It's not
you
mine.
money for save for me. So only
But
in
me
my
don't
comment
tell them already,
section,
so why you
hush up
say?
if you don't know what I talk
Me
about.
tell them already, they know that. Me tell them
So
put
no
your
hear
over
me
here.
talk about bill. I feel me money I pay a bill.
Me tell them already say I fear money. So nobody hype up and go on, me tell them say I hear, they know say I fear money. Every day I come tell them say I miss the money.
You know. But I know, when I say me I defend me thing, allow me.
But they know me tell them already, me
I
explain
chat
that.
so weird. But
explain-
some of them don't know that.
They know, Jay, me explain that, bro. Them know that. The whole world know that. Every day I tell them say I keep your money. Who don't know that, Jay? You said that over 10,000 times. Who don't know that? God know. Everybody know that. Say I fear money. The whole world knows say I'm your banker.
Man, girl, let us go into some things that are not even necessary to rap.
Yeah, but yeah. Whatever, man. Left it there. Make it stay. Stay.
Cause me asking you if you pay something. You try to say me not believe you say you pay the bill.
Yes, today we
When
over
me
the
look
internet.
for
What
you
you say to me, say? Jay, let me talk. Me
What me
can't
say to you
talk.
on the internet?
Me can't talk.
Talk.
We over Instagram, I say, where you pay the bill? Me say, Moby. You say, where Kingston do pan the bill pay? But me say, Moby, he pay Jay. You say, where Kingston? Me say, Moby, he pay. Me tell him, say, Kingston. You never believe you want, like you want, say, me a liar, and a be me pay your town. And that you try to tell me yesterday. And me say, Kimmy, now me hear them on the phone, me go pay the bill. Me answer to you, say, Jay, the only reason why Kingston upon me can me give pay your address. I say, you know, Kingston, so me say, the people must put Kingston can pay master. You never believe, because you feel like, say, me not pay no na be me in their towns a lie.
So let me ask you a question. So if you're a priest, so if you're a priest, so when you call me this morning, why you never just say that?
Are you company into
Yeah?
the be about
If
we?
you're a priest, how you feel? So when you call me this
You
morning,
never they go on, so
why
I
you
know
never just say that?
how you talk and how you say it and the things that you say when me I listen to you, bro. You joke me on the bus and I style me neatly.
Mhm.
You diss up me and I try to call me dirty girl and
Silent neatly. Oh. What kind of dirty girl?
Yeah, man.
What are you talking about? My girl, how you look? Attention?
Yeah. Ah, that's a god, man.
You bored?
Alright,
You bored?
later. Go on, man. Fist you.
Oh, Jesus. I wonder if this real to blood clot. Me people them did up on my life this morning. How my reasoning did sound? Like me did a this or? How my reasoning did sound this morning, chat? Jesus Christ. Yo, I have to joke this. Ah boy. So are that the people them over there telling in your comment section are corrupt you? Cause if you did listen to me live, there is no way you could have come with that them madness.
Jay, when you talk, you listen yourself? You really ever listen yourself when you talk yet? You see the
Me
screen record?
Me
Jay,
comment
when you see
section.
screen record, they
Go
watch
over there,
them back.
go over there, go tell her.
Over there, go tell me what? Me
Go over
literally
there, go
on your
tell her
live
if me did
watching,
this
bro.
or this, man. If you're there on my live watching, why you come with this rubbish?
Hey, you disrespect me neatly, brother.
How?
Alright.
You have to tell us I'm intelligent, you know. If me disrespect you, you have to tell me how. No, that's the intelligent way to do it. If me disrespect you, you make me know how. So we can fix the part where me disrespect you, where you think me disrespect you about. And that's how me have a conversation, you know, I'm not a child, me is a man. So if you want to have a conversation, let's have it. How did I disrespect you? What's the disrespect in what said? Go for the screen recording, make we hear it. You have more per phone. So take up on your phone them, make we see the screen recording so we can see where the disrespect was said.
You know disrespect me, man. I'm an idiot. I'm a
Go
dumb.
for the phone. The screen recording them did it.
Not a phone. Not a
You
phone.
just want something for cuss about.
Bad man, me not a phone. Phone them not work.
You just want something for cuss about.
No, call me a dunce.
Out of 5 phone them, none of them now work.
Let me forget 5 phone. But you spend 5 phone.
My girl, you gotta do this. Or you just go for your phone or this.
Bad man, see phone them ya. Phone them not work. See them ya. Dead. They not work.
You have 2.
They not work.
You have 2 more phone.
Me not have no more phone in their town. Na house. Phone them in my house at town, brother.
So, Shorty.
You had 2 phone them in my house, brother.
So, Shorty, make we have a normal conversation. You see me? Me and you think far past this. For you move like you know no sense. Me and you beyond
like
right.
you know no
So.
sense.
Me and you beyond right. So here we go on. You see, if you say you feel disrespected and you feel like me I insult you neatly, you have something named freedom of speech. Make we hear it.
My freedom of speech not make it stay. Cause you me, you see anytime he defend myself is a problem to everybody in the world.
Me I go tell you again. You have something named freedom of speech. Make we have a
Good, Jay,
normal
let your man,
conversation.
just let it can,
Make we hear it. Something simple, you know. You feel hurt and you feel disrespected. It already there right us up on the internet. Might as well talk how you feel and make we go over it. Simple as that. You just did and read comment section. And you me a look
Yeah,
for
what
them.
about me comment section? I want to read it for.
Can you make them manipulate you?
Nobody now manipulate. People not say nothing about you.
Diamond, me know you. As I see something in the comment section, you cuss.
And that me I tell you with you now. You go like you. Yeah, brother. Me I just the pussy in everywhere me take it.
Jesus Christ. Sometimes I can't bother with them excitement, you know, and I'm my stylist, you know. And you know I'm my stylist too, you know.
I feel my style. I mean I excitement.
You know me not like excitement.
No, I mean I excitement. I mean I junker. I mean I problem. I mean I problem in everybody's life. Me.
My girl, stop mixing with everybody, you know. Stop mixing with everybody. Every time something happen, you just like me ex them, mate. Hey, Daima.
Oh, you reach your ex. A friendship me
Let me
attack.
go on.
Me not talk about no.
Let me go on. Because it a reach somewhere I don't want to reach. You know? Let me go on. Every time you compare me out and put me in a bungle. Do you think, man? Rated too much. Rated too much for start an argument today. And I say, better me just go on. You see me? Yeah. Now I do this on the internet. Cause this a half a joke thing, bro. You see people me respect. I can't cuss them, you know. And I can't diss them neither. You see what she a talk about, me not have a clue what go on. I come for my life this morning and me a reason. You see what I say? My people them can tell you now and comment in the comment section. There's not one point me disrespect Diamond. Not even one. You see me? Cause I respect that woman there, bro. More than never this her, especially on the internet. You're crazy. Me not doing that. All who want to say me manipulative, go chuck in on no mama. That nah nothing to do with me. You never like me from morning. And that me I tell you now. So for no opinion could have stay, believe. That me I tell you now. For no opinion could have turn. Me I defend myself. As me come over here drama, me not like drama, bro. Me don't like drama. You see me? You see if me have a problem with her, me tell her in her face. Me not come on the internet come need style. Or not my style. Me not these people me rate. For love nor money. Me grow rough, brother. You hear? You see me think when I'm loyal to you, me bro, me not just get up on these people. You mad? Me not grow so. This is for what? Forget fame and fire, you're crazy. You worth more than that. What me a this for? Then you come talk your story and me did sick in them time that me I say, oh, so me call you and you say you're red. That mean that you there go on with. You see me? That's all. But I don't have time for this girl. What me a this for? A code life me live by. I want to tell you when the world turn them back for me and me here day and night. When the whole internet hate we on a pick side and me here day and night. So what me a hate you for? What me a need style you for? And everything we go on and me and you. Nobody diss me and you. Nobody diss me and me. You understand what me I say? I want to tell you, man. What me over here do the most? Me can't hold fool reasoning. I can't do it. Me ask you over and over. Make we have a conversation. Make we have a conversation. Make we have a conversation. Over and over me ask you. You don't want to have no conversation because that's too easy for you. That's too easy. You don't want to have a conversation. Me say, Diamond, you feel like me disrespect you, feel like me style you. State it. You have something named free will of speech. State it and make we fix it. Cause probably you sound like a this and I don't really saw it go. So me say state the part where you think me this you and make we just rub out that and fix that. Free and go on. You know just say yo, you know say you said this and me not like say you said that and that cause I not say it go for true. And make we just fix it and me apologize and we go through. Easy as that, bro. Easy 1-3. You not take nothing. You not take nothing at all for do that. Believe me. Only thing I did have to do, talk about the problem. You see me? And if you saw in a way, I say no, sir, I style me that style you. Sorry about that, man. And we go on our ways. And we go through. I want to tell you, bro. I'm not done, you know, I'm intelligent, you know. I can't hold them reasoning there. I can't hold them reasoning there. I tell you. I can't hold them reasoning there. I swear. You see me? Whole heap of time there are cases where me and her reason, I say some things and she say, this me or this her for me. And most of the time, I'm not even this her, you know. But when I say it sound like I violate me, I violate her. And like me, we go over it and me I say, no man, me not this man, nothing like that. So why we couldn't do it now? What we have proof? The views them were there, they not like we, you know, as soon as nothing are going, them gone, you know. So nothing are there for proof. We not have to prolong it. You see me? If we could have go over it and rub out the crush we crush, we rub it out. None of them people, enough of them people that don't know like we already, they're just there. As soon as everything calm down, them gone. Yeah? Circle me later. Easy as that, my youth. Me not end no life. A long time me not come live. I come live for vibe with my people. I'm almost a month now me not come. Me not end my life. None of this never call for, bro. None of this. See all the time when them come over here and I say, yo, Ray, me I ask if a prank. I mean, have a clue what go on. No want no attention. I mean, not seek none neither. You're good. Hold on the chat. I'm going to restart and get the restriction off of me. for run with and chat about. See that them already start. I don't know, man. Come like man can't get a break over here, so bro. And that's why when she forced me to come live the last time, I still never in it for coming, bro. Cause over here so just make me start get paranoid. Here she come and she said she have to force me to come live, and that's why I'm not too into live streaming again. I realize it has spoiled my reputation, it make me look weak. So I have my time when I just break TikTok and breeze over here. So you know what I'm way there? And find something to do. Yeah, it's toxic. And when TikTok crash and your reputation done mash up, what you have left? Eh? So that's why I'm not to penetrate pan over here some most of the time. That's why I'm not penetrate pan over here some. When she say, yo, you need to come live and something, you know, I say, yo, I'm not in it, you know. I don't feel TikTok. First day I come back live, who me in a problem with? You. And the fact that Diamond know better. Call me. I even do like what you normally do. Send a long ass voice note when I go listen to it. The first person to fling me and die boss are you as me come back. You know call me. Or send a long voice note and cuss me, tell me about my rass. Tell me this, tell me that. Express yourself. Do it in a voicemail or something. Cause me never come live with no intention for disrespect you. And that me come live about. That we just there and we are reason. You see me? We there and we are reason. You dead the whole time and I listen to the reason. If you feel like me this, you know call me. Much time I end my life. Call me. Jay, what kind of thing that you say? I don't like that, you know. When I say boy short, you know, my name mean it that way there. And fix things. Team, I'm power tap the screen for me there, please. And our enablers them over there in our comment section and tell her be a madness. It's like she don't want to think for herself. You know me respect you, you know me rate you. You ever see me come on social media come this year? Never. So why now? I know people them stay over there, them corrupt, you know, them in our comment section. Yeah man. Manipulating, I be a neat style, man, neat style. You see comment section, I root away, yeah? Comment section I gotta be anyway. Remember me tell you that. Cause me I reason with her and she just a read comment section. I'll know she not pay me no mind. I'll know she not pay me no mind and me I talk to her. Me ask her about 3 times. Take your eye off her comment section and look for me and me and you talk. No. Comment section. Angry for what? To all me and that girl that thing set, bro. We know look much time me and Diamond cuss. Much time me and Diamond argue. We ever bring it on media? No. So if she angry, she not do like what she normally do. Call me or send me a voice note. I know first me and Diamond kick off. I know second, I know third, I know 10 time. Me and her kick off so many times me can't count. What she normally do? Call me. Or send me a voice note, a cuss out me ratted and I tell me what. You bring it here, a boy gonna lick out your mama. I'm not free for talk how me feel. Put yourself in my shoes, whether the story true or not. You see me? What if I did sick in them period of time there? You see me? Whether our story true or not, we don't say it real, we are leg off for that. But put yourself in my shoes. Suppose I mean did pull a stunt like that. Not even talk, I could talk and play in a case. You see how fast things can turn on? I make we as man look like say we are the problem. You see how fast things can turn? This is a woman world here. As a man, it's like you don't deserve to vent. You don't deserve to talk how you feel. You have to just hold it. There's nothing wrong with that, because a man we name, You see me? Nothing wrong with that. Because a man we name. But bro, you don't have to fear sometime, man. You don't have to fear. You see me? And even though I can't reason with that, me and her still good. We still good. We talk this morning on the phone same way. We talk this morning on the phone same way. Couple minutes before me even come live. So when I say all of this I go and I think a prank, I never know say it real. Because me and her did a talk literally 2 minutes or 3 minutes before I come live. So I don't have a clue what I go on. Go over there, try to talk to her, she don't want to chat. So I just slow it. You see me? Can't bother. I like a drama, man, and I respect her fully. If you just allow over the happy and done. Let me just allow TikTok and done with it, yeah, man. I swear. No, I'm not none. No, I can't get a break over here, so man. Come like, no, look, over here, so don't agree with me. Nah, get a break over here. And I'm not gonna make over here so break me, you know. I swear to you, I'm not gonna make TikTok break me, man. When I come off and go find my life. I swear to you. See them drama here, then up and down and I can't do it. Nah, do it. You see me? I nah no problem, no for come live. That my being do. You see me? So I don't want to feel like someone over here me a story up something because I look something. I don't know me done. My face stay. Where I go look walk. So me stay. Oh. Maybe I'll leave a come live a matter of fuck. If she want to vent and allow her, make she vent, man. She have her free word of speech, you see me? Allow her, make she do her thing, man. Big up herself. I vex, you know? I vex, you fuck. I vex, man. Because it never did have to reach right, I said, bro. I vex, I swear to you. I vex. I not call nobody, I not text nobody any way they want to take him, I can take it away there. You see me? I No, not stubborn like me, you know. No, not stubborn like me, yeah? Just summit on. Just watch me. I'm not stubborn like me. Just watch me. Just watch me, man. Promise myself the last time I'm gonna come over here and do something like this. The last time. Nah, I'm not again and you can't reach me again either. Nah man, that's my fault man. I apologize. Enough. I mean I wrong man. That's my fault. That's okay. I take full responsibility. That's my fault. Man, watching a chat, it's good man. That's my fault man. I take full responsibility. Enough. You know what I should have done? Should have just not say nothing. I just bail. You see it, but you see through me a man, me a Taurus. I can't stand for fucker and I see something I not like and it hurt me, I talk about it. But enough, I should have been. Should have continued doing what I do and just circle myself. Chat and no pity me, I look for nobody, you know. Allow me, I blame myself, man. When I'm wrong. You see me? I mean wrong. Me and my wrongs. I apologize to myself. I'm wrong. Lord, I should live my life. Everybody upon the life, power tap the screen for me, the team. I'm not call, I'm not talk Papa on the phone or nothing. You don't reach over here already. She could have called me. I not do no talking over the phone, I not go over nothing. Me wrong, me accept me wrong. That's it. I not do no apology neither. You see me apologize right or so. I not go over no phone, I not do nothing. I just apologize right or so. I am wrong and I am sorry for being wrong. Not all now, my man. Everything active. Nothing up, man. Everything mad. Everything mad. It's although she allow herself to fall for people so easily and give them her all. AKMY, go name up your mama. I want to tell you, man, I say me hate to not do that. If you not like me because of what she say, no, go on about the business, man. Yo, I don't know how crosses and trouble just not stop following me, so you know. Sure. What more me I go wrong? Me not wrong in everything phone already. What more no one fling pan? Why can't you give me her arm? Yo. Oh boy. I'm fed up, man. I swear to you, man. Problem everywhere I turn. Bro, I'm gonna keep on and tell me if you apologize. I'm gonna keep on and tell me if you apologize. You know, rest me now. I show me a man and I not talk. I no need for talk. I don't make it look like say me I do that girl or some things and I hurt her and so and I just did it like one brick wall stand up, you know. I just did it like one wall out, stand up firm, you know, no blood no run through my vein, no nothing. You see me? Yeah, me just bad so, me just do this and me just do that so. Yeah, David.
Yeah, bro. You go.
Active, man. I run too much with that. Get that girl for me.
Alright, I get too slow.
That on the power tap is straight for me there. Yo, no.
Let's see what we can do.
Come out of my comment section now, man.
See what we can do, chat. See what we can do. See what we can do. Power tap. Good, bro?
Yeah?
You
Me
good?
good, man. Me good, man, my dog. Yeah, man. Me active, man.
Alright, chat
Bye,
times
then.
3. First give triple, chat. First give triple. Let's give triple. First give triple, chat. Let's go.
I'm a big up. God, good. Big up.
We can't make it look like that, chat.
When you can come on for a live now, you know. I go in a match for try running on, still there running on out in the comment section. And ease up off of me now, bro. Ease up off of me, man. You know, I'm telling you, say I'm wrong and I apologize already. Oh, no, arrest my case now. I'm wrong, man. I apologize. Yeah.
Yo, what's the name of people?
I'm wrong, man.
What's the best?
No matter when I say to one, I can never write phone. I'm lift up, man, and go and go on the business.
What is, hey,
Just 901
what's the name of that song? That me,
One roast team. Wanna follow a page at chat? Give page a follow for me, please. Nah, say nothing more them. It just piss me off, man. I'm gonna try to avoid some things and it come like a man just keep on and run up in them.
Chat, 8 more people. Don't let them get you down, my brother. You good. Turn up.
I'm on me active, man. Cool.
Chat, 8 more roses. Chat, let's do it.
Chat, you know follow your page, shimmy that thing. Everybody keep page a follow. Double chat, double. There's a double after me.
Let's go, chat. Everybody power tap for me.
What's the double?
We can still tap. We can still tap, chat. We can still tap. Everybody still tap.
Open a look good, go on, man. Just me a try to get rid of one. No come on from my life, man. Go on. Show the respect, yeah? Hotness, big up yourself. Well done, big up in the system.
Come on, man. G4 flights now fucking the part-time, man. Who? 2026 going out with a bang, man. Let's go with chat. Y'all power tap. Don't stop tapping that screen.
I look like somebody running rings. So do you. Don't let your demons take you down.
Y'all send out them heart me chat, please. Some niggas go to chat. Appreciate that, Empress. Thank you. Everybody just keep tapping the screen. We're not getting no taps, chat. We need some taps at least. Y'all saying because we lost, we can't get no taps? Oh, gosh. Don't make it look like that, chat. I'm trying to find one Meek Mill song. I don't even know the names of that. That motivation song. Oh, how it go again?
1962 flow. Yo, my team, all heap of love and respect, you know. Big up on yourself.
Chat, thank y'all. All my tappers, all my supporters, thank y'all. Let's go.
Jody, all heap of love, you know, mama. Virgo, hotness, everybody upon the life. Thank you, man. Bless upon yourself. Yeah.
Everybody power tap, let's do it.
Chat, double my team. Double chat, double. Chat, they're gonna sub for the double, man.
Chat, I need y'all. Come on, chat, let's go. Jackie, thank you. Empress, thank you. Y'all get this night.
You gonna lose, nigga. That's why I never go to school, nigga. Why I'm rapping like I got something to prove, nigga.
Come on, let's go, chat. Let's go.
Let's
do it.
Yo, this is not a real place.
Chat, we got a trip.
What are you gonna do now with your free?
We gonna need 3 people.
Next. Code, man.
Let's go, chat.
One more person, one Rose, my team. Come in, chat. Rose.
Let's go.
Gary, thank you, princess. Big up yourself.
Three people, one row voice chat. Let's do it.
The way she crossed me up, too classy and too broke. Like a rhino, like a trophy.
Chat, 3 people, 1 rose.
These niggas wanna buy me like a shit, but better trim down. Back when I was broke, they was cool with it. And every move I make, I'm in the numbers with it. Even if I ain't doing it, they be like, you did it. I teach you how to do this, tell me you wanna lose, nigga. Well, I never went to school, nigga. Well, I'm rapping like I got time to school, nigga. When it was the man with the Billy with the thing, I get into with it. Move with it,
I just wanna take my life. What the fuck against me every time I play it up? To do that, I understand that's the way I like. It's not like those facts. The father got every time I play it up.
every time I play on rice, I'm with the yeah,
Further.
yeah, I'm getting chips off music like Brad Pitt. Yeah, to the catch up, that's respect. Moving cloud, respect, and your brothers on that shit. I know they niggas upset, never see me forget what's the love. They wanna see me fall, and I will never sell my soul. Want some shit that they ain't seen before. Dream chasing, catching all my goals. And I don't need these hoes. Put money, me and all my woes. Little me, you know it's all out, whoa. You know niggas going all out for blackers in the prison. Drop to the Billy, ain't doing no interviews, I'm busy, nigga with Liddy. So when you see me out, don't ask me about no nigga. Fuck, I look like turn my business on windy, niggas got look like queens. We was serving fiends, 40 bunch of windows out, Jasmine Celine. They told them pop Hollis, I told them to be kings. Flipping 1942 like it's lean. I didn't see all them niggas try to downplay my dreams. So I'ma give it to them every time I'm on that scene. Pull up girls, go. Red flag when you see me. Some servants wanna be me and some servants wanna leave me. I know it. I don't do it, don't show it. I told niggas who wrote it, ain't taking back what I quoted. Started off with a quarter, flipped that to a half, turned that to an ounce. That's some shit in the stash. Niggas said I ain't gonna rob me, put a brick on his ass. Now every killer in my city trying to look for his ass. One thing about me, money, I'ma get to a bag. Had to starve all day just to get to a fast. Like Ramadan, told kids like it's Palestine. Real niggas in my hobby and that's bottom line. Ever since I met Ross, since I got in line, I gave my mama 10,000 and
Alright, it's hot outside. Very hot outside.
Sell my soul. Want some shit that they ain't seen before. Dream chasing, catching all my goals. You don't need these hoes.
Oh, shit, money, not my boy. So, sir, clear black.
Alright, bro.
But, yo, ladies, big up on yourself and all heap of love and respect. What channel? Me done, man, chat. You see? Me done, man. Cause what channel you see most of them people over here, so certain vibes them want to see. And me not give them what them want. You see what I say? Yeah. Me not give them what them want, man. Cause me know I saw them want to see me and I go down Emmanuel Road in about it now, go. Yeah, man, them would mind to see me and I go down Emmanuel Road, man. And go break Rockstone, you know? So then can get something for laugh about and feel good about. Now, so I don't respect her already and I rate her. But I'm telling you something. You see, one too self-centered and selfish. And we would call it boaty. Because I don't really understand certain style, you know. When I quick to come over here and say me fling her under the bus. Bro, you know how much time I fling me under the bus so many times where me even look on her off camera and I say, yo, you know, sometimes I do some things and it make me look bad and I don't like it. You see me? So many times. And nobody never have a problem with it yet, because me are the man. You see me? And I look on it and I look on the case and I say, look there. And the quick for rush down upon me and say me this and me that and me red. I couldn't be fair some of the time them, man. I don't be fair some of the time them, you see me? But you see, because I always try to think older and think different, I don't really push certain things, I just allow it. So, 90% of the time, if I'm right, I just go say I'm wrong. You see what I say? That's how I look on things, bro. You see, people I respect, I can't really go down your money with the road with them. I just allow it alone. Hey, watch out now, come out of my comment section and allow me talk. I want to see a money, I go in a girl comment section and I tell her about a fuck if you make it look like say you're rude. I come out of my comment section and see me a reason. I not cuss, me a reason. So if you don't want to hear it, you just go on about the business. Simple as that. I don't pray that way. I know say them people over here don't like me. You see me? So I not really give in to certain activity to entertain them. But you just give enemy something more to talk about. Something else that them can use and go make some kind. You see? That's why I not really push things, bro. I just allow it. You need to come over here and tell me some humble and tell me some this and tell me some that. You see, for me, you know, so I stay true to myself, bro. You see me? Because, bro, let me tell you something, I'm not even fussy. You see, TikTok is the last place I want to come talk about my problems them and say nothing at all. You see me? Because when I go through it for real, them people are in a business, brother. That's why I not try to come show me emotions over here. Not even ball, I not come over here for ball. I tell you that. You see them same thing there, bro, when I read all the comment section, them after upon screen recording, the things them where them say charge you, they just make you look away. So I not really entertain certain activity for the comment section for talk about. So emotions and them things, them I leave it off of the platform, I not bring it coming. I don't bring it come over here, bro. And that's why I'm vexed, because I never have to reach which part you reach. You see me? We always deal with things better than this. And that's why I'm vexed about it. We always deal with things better than this. Always. And a first, and a second, and a 10, and a 20. We deal with it better. I'm disappointed, man, I swear. I'm disappointed, bro. Nah, cat man chat, I'm vexed, man. I'm vexed. I'm vexed at you, man. Bad man, go on, man. I'm not saying that I try, sure. All me a decline, bro. You just a send request. Hello, me no dog. Come let me take a break for nothing at all, brother. Grandma! Grandma! Where you there? How would I do it, my grandmother?
Turn up.
Oh, Jesus! How you do over here?
You say what you can see you.
You never up, man. Wow, yeah. Alright? How you doing?
Alright, you know.
You good?
Yeah, man.
That's why I work. So me there. Me soon come in and come look for you.
That's what
You know,
did.
you go like something them pile up. Catch you, me and Akim. Me there with live. Me can't talk about it live, eh? Me soon come look for you.
Alright, yeah, man. Yeah, alright.
I'm a granny. Guys, you know, grandmother over my next door neighbor, I never know. You calm now?
Good man. Can I ask you one question? Me never did fear yet.
Yeah.
Me not share no love.
When you ready?
When me ready.
You ask me question and you want me honest opinion of how me feel.
Now when me
no?
ready, me show you love.
When you ready?
Say
Every
nothing.
time when you know.
Say nothing. Me honestly show you love.
When you ready, yeah. Diamond, let me reason with you. You see that perfection thing how we are run down? Nobody not perfect. You have your times them when you not even use me and I saw me state. Nobody not perfect, shorty. You see that perfect thing how we are portray over you, so
No.
nobody not perfect.
Listen now. And I use me, not use you, Jay. And I use me, not use you. Me just give back the energy where you give me sometimes and I feel away. Cause sometimes when me a call and you not answer me, me just give back the same thing. And if I never when I do me something, I go do so not at all. Cause me genuinely respect you. But the energy where you give me give you back and you don't like back the energy there. Sometimes I just do it for spite.
So me a complain?
No, me say sometimes I just do it for spite.
Me not complain.
Yeah, but you know, don't say when me ready because are you doing so? So me just do you back so. You know you have a bad energy, DJ. You know that. You yourself know that. You know that.
Oh, mistake.
Yeah, you know say you have a bad energy. And you know you should be people. And that's true because I'm
Diamond, let me ask you a question. Out of the 99 big up when me give, and the one big up when me not give is a problem, nobody not perfect.
We can't talk about
You
people.
can't, watch you know? You can't make it seems like when it come on to me, you're the realest thing on your
No, me never like what you said this morning.
So
Me
yeah,
not like
make it
because you
so.
know what me not like, you go say. You tell me say you're sick. Jay, you just simple say, me not feel good shot and me say, oh, she never go into no details like you're bad sick. You make it look like you did bad sick and me say no.
So Diamond, you don't know me stay already. For the moment you tell me say, yo, you're there and you deal with business, me happy for your case. You know me not like burden people.
So why you gonna come out come say, the fact that me tell you say me sick and you not come. No. You never tell me say you're sick like you're sick. You just say, shorty me not feel good and me say, hush. Cause you randomly enough time tell me say you not
When
feel
they
good.
come up with time, me never tell us I me go hospital.
That's why me come up. And me say, Jay did that bad. And you say, yeah, me say, you not call me, you say, me not bother you.
Cause you
That's
tell
what
me
you
say you
said.
have business I deal with.
It don't matter if me have business if you went that bad, so don't make it. So, alright, you see it now. Now when you come out of contact now, it seems like you're bad and then me ignore you, so you make it look, so you look bad for me, brother. Like me ignore you, like me left you, me left you, me left you out.
So you telling me hush, now basically the same thing. When me tell you just tell me hush.
But me if you never sick bad, normally I regularly we say shorty me not feel
You
good.
know me as a person who is sick, me not even get sick.
Jay, I regularly every time say shorty me not feel good. Feel good them is like, let me tell you feel good them. Sometimes feel good them, you feel good about when you know, when people don't understand with you. You will take me as a shorty me not feel good. Sometimes we just don't in your movie chat to nobody that they feel good there. Something in an eyeball zone. So feel not feel good as what a different meaning have to it. Remember, and me know you like, people don't know you like how me know you, know. Sometimes feel good them, you just don't want to deal with nobody, you don't want to see nobody, you just want your own space. So, me don't know when I say you not feel good, me don't know if a sick feel good or why, because here's a man me just tell me say, Shorty me not movie talk or Shorty me not feel good, me not do this right now or whatever. So when you say you not feel good, me just say hush. It's not like say if you went call me and say, Shorty, me not feel good, I feel like I got the hospital and I ignore you, then you could have behaved like this, bro. Then you know me that know say alright then me fuck up cause me left you in the wilderness for true.
Behave like how though? The reason I do this morning.
Yeah, because you say what hurt me the most, yeah,
The
say
reason harmless.
no, it could be harmless cause make it
The
look like
reason
wicked
not
to you.
serious. The reason
It
not
don't
serious.
harmless cause you say nothing no bother me more than me call you. I'm sick of you to come. Bar your hobby. Look here,
I
let
mean
me tell you.
gimmicks, me do it now, you know. Gimmicks.
Jay, them don't know you mean know you. You know, I know gimmicks that.
A gimmicks.
That is not gimmicks.
Let me tell you how
Part
me
where
start
you're
take it
sick.
serious.
That's
What
when
I know?
you sick
You know
and
how
I'm
me
gonna
start
fire
take it serious?
your mind game
Because
that
you create a big deal out of it. You know me
Jay,
scared.
when
Diamond,
you see you,
Diamond, you know me have a no care mood. You know me turn. Me no make
Jay,
nobody.
when time you put something in your head, you know, Me I tell you,
You
me
make
can't
nobody
tell
me
you.
Diamond.
You not take your head, you know.
Diamond, that mean you don't know.
Any
me.
how you feel like you sick,
I'm gonna make
and
nobody
nobody don't come round. Yeah, when I come back round, I feel good side. I say, remember when time I did sick and I use my rare, but not care, my body like me, I start tell people your
All them
mind.
days are done, man. Me stop complaining. You don't realize. Me tap a bag of chatting.
You see why I'm in a reason with you? Can you, let me tell you something,
Let
Jay.
me a reason with you
say
and tell
me
you I'm
reason with
scared.
you. You say me reason with you, make me look like me dunce. I look like me lack of understanding and lack of communication. I say you make it look like me a reason with you.
No,
That's
the
why
reason,
more why-
that reason that when you're away, I say no,
that's
it's
why
much
more why me not
better.
bother with you. You can make me
No,
look
the
like me
reason
dunce.
is much better
Lack of
than when you did the
communication and
first
them thing there,
time. No, the first time you never move.
You never come over here like a reason. You come over here like lower your voice and
What?
you come over here. Lower your voice like you dey talk to me like.
Chat, you don't talk to Diamond for me. I saw me come over here.
Of course.
Well, I know.
If I chat with
Your
you,
chat, I don't say anything, you know. But
Not
chat,
mine, me say
when
your
me come
chat,
over
not
here,
mine. Not
when me
mine.
come over here, I saw me talk to her.
You come with a submissive. Like you come like
Come
come to a
the
girl.
first person who come and go lick out your mama. Me come over here now, bad vibes here. Me not come over here
Yeah.
for reason. No reason me come over here for reason. Me come over here now, bad vibes. Watch our people in my come on my life come say yes. Me I talk to my people.
No
them
matter go over
there.
there, you stay over yesterday, bro. Cause I must see how you go over there.
What did I come to do? Now have
Just
a
come over here.
conversation.
Anyway, we now go back to that. So anyway, you say you not care again or whatever you done, whatever. Alright, done.
Me say me done with them bad vibes and me not combo bad vibes. Me not do it again. Me done with the bad vibes them. Because I that
Yeah, you
people
must say,
want
as a man,
switch.
come here. One thing I like with you. You not take wrong, you know? You never take wrong it. You, I say you stay. You see, before you take wrong, you give it to me. And you know, say, me wrong, me I take it. Me I take me wrong, you know? Can you see any of me when neglect you for true? Yeah, that hurt me worse, you know, that hurt me, you know, Jay. Cause me no neglect you. It hurt my feelings, bro. Cause me don't neglect you. And you see, you, as a man, when me there run for almost 9 months to 1 year, anything will hurt you, you repeat that. Anything will hurt you, you repeat that.
You know, me I gotta tell you again. You see that perfection though we come over here on the internet for
Nah, that one
portray.
a perfection.
Me nah do it.
A different
See
something
the
that Jay.
perfection them.
Yeah.
When we come on the internet
You
for
see,
portray.
Be
them,
as straight for the
me nah
argument.
do it.
Be
You
as
see
straight for the
me and you
argument.
no perfect. A whole heap of time foolishness go on from both sides.
Yeah, straight for the
You see the
argument. we not-
perfection we are put right as so me nah go do it. We
Yeah,
are just
straight for the
real and
argument.
done.
How perfection coming out, you got a different.
Because you just want me so badly say yo you are the perfectest thing around me.
Oh,
That's not it.
oh, that.
That's not it.
Yes, so that's why I'm gonna raise the video. Cause you want to spin it in a different narrative when we're not talking about that, Jay.
But that's why you put it.
And we're not talking about no perfection. Yeah,
I
this
guess not. Big up
is a
yourself.
whole different mood, be. Different something you're going on, and that we are talking about. Me say, me I tell her, say, me know when something hurt you. You hurt because you feel like, say, I say, you're sick and me know say that bunny, cause anything what bunny you repeat it. Me know say that bunny. And anything what bunny you not that repeat that. And that me a talk, but we not talk about perfect. Everybody knows me a cuss and fight and show down. Everybody knows me a cuss and fight. Everybody knows me a perfect. I regular me a
You know say me not like over here, say, you know. And you know what vex me about? You see if you did vex, you could have called me. You
When me a
could
call
have
them for you
called
over
me.
here, bro, bring me down.
Call me, cause you know me not this you. Me a go come pa internet con this for fun.
You said some points that hurt my feelings.
Me a come pa internet con this for fun.
You talk some things that hurt my
You
feelings.
could have called me though.
Why me a go call you?
Me
And
a
come-
just come off.
Why me a go call you? Me a come in
Let
your
me
back
ask
saying
you a
you want
question,
to
Diamond. So let me ask you a question. We not gonna talk it straight. When we a text this man, what you say me for do? And we are rare we are text.
Yeah, but you gone past the levels I talk about.
You see me? So you say me no want you in my box. If it a go that level there, you not call me.
You never see they go far.
This morning, you not call me.
They never
You still
see
a
they
run
go
from
far.
the point. You not call me, shorty. You still a run from the point. You
No,
know
why
you
you
coulda
gone so
call me.
far?
You know you coulda call me.
Alright, you see, you don't take wrong.
Because you told me a reason this morning, nobody not take the reasoning, so. A vibe over here, a vibe and gimmicks. You know when it start get real, when you come live and you start show your emotions them and something now the people them start looking to it and say something is happening. That's why I say you coulda call me. Don't you coulda call me?
Don't you never have to go so far?
You still a run from the pants, so you coulda call me.
No. Why you never?
From the
You
past.
should have had me in your box.
Why me never had it in my
Who to reach so far?
Why me never had it in my box?
Cause probably you just come and
You
go
know,
and
come like you send me over yourself to set up myself. But me I left it there so.
here I know.
Cause you forgot what you tell me this morning. Hey, you know say me I want to eat that.
How far you gone? A different story that Mary is about. Mary is about different story from where you gone.
It good man. I'm here. Me wrong man. It good.
Hey, girl, move on there, so. Where? My black.
Accept my wrongs man. I'm here wrong. Accept
Move.
my wrongs.
Alright, so you can go on now. Too much I don't know by 4,000. I not get nothing. Go on now, no man. Go on. Me done. Go on. Crowd man, I not get nothing. Go on, no man. Go on now. Cause someone not even follow me. Go on, no man. One block somehow, brother. On man. On. Me I come block you, come here, you're too enough, you never follow me. Actually, yes, sir. You know, but I cook nothing in that mood. Tired. Yeah, thanks, yeah. That me at I'm too really please.
A serious time I did ask you blood clot wheel.
That's what me they looking at, Jay. What you mean serious time? What serious?
Nah, me nah look nothing in. I just a try to squash this right. That's how I'm going to do.
Well, me squash you see me done. You talk your mind and me talk from me done. I quash done I know already. I work me there, you know, me I look something, you know. When I go stack up my bar, me I look at dollar. So me know what you are doing, you know, if you play a match. So me I look, you know. Work me come. I won't cuss all day. Me not cuss all day, you know, so me I look thanks, yeah, me baby. I cuss all day. And me all right now, me can't cuss every day. Done. Finish. I'm begging you 2 wheel, yeah. Yes, so the chat. Can't get 2 wheel and 2 something. So me have one bar, me I look something. Go stack. Me fix up. I'm using cheaper. Me can't get a wheel. One I don't know. A 4,000 there. Go on then, no man. 4,000 me can't get one wheel. Bada. I'm not bada we do over here. Pay crowd and me can't get nothing. Yeah. What's your?
Better you did call me.
Better you did stop. I put no blame for me. It burn me. Cause you go like me well if you're in the wilderness. Apart they burn me bad.
It burn me too, cause you could have called me.
It burn me.
It burn me too, cause you could have called me.
No, you
Said I
never
put the
baby
right
go so
action.
far.
But watch out now. Play a match. Let me see what you're going to get.
So what you try to say? Play match with
The
you.
people who are there on the live, them still not like we. You know, make a difference.
You don't care who I like me, I beg me come for big. And I like it, me come both.
Chat to another me team.
Here they. Here. You do for views, I want views you do. Hey, left out of my chat, you hear? I'm gonna out here, move for me song. I want
Stop
views.
read the comment section. Them they are rub me and me not pay it no
I
more.
want views. If I want views, me go chat my live story. I me get views. I have to come cost for views. Can't go chat my business as usual. I don't like your things. Can't make up anything tell you, can't mix up. And tell them anything come out with mouth. And man, more views. I want views, me not talk anything. I tell them my life story. Eh? Me not be quarrel. You think if you bring down over you look good? You think bring down look good? Hey, lift up out of my chat, dirty girl. Oh. I'm gonna make you a picture. Who's the double your chat? You don't talk about views. No one
Chat,
views.
slap something else for the double.
We easy to get views over here. We just make up our story, girl, who now no say it. But I don't want no
Chat, something
views.
for the
yet, too.
double chat. Snipe, snipe, snipe.
But I don't want no views. Go on, man.
Snipe it double.
Sometimes I don't want the dark and I want go on, but you know. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, darling.
Show the big one.
Sexy, thank you. Everybody thank you. Somebody give me real thank you. Everybody thank you, no. Thank you, no chat. Me can get arms on top to 100 the arms. Whatever. You don't want to give me
Chat, so we have our gloves at team. Use the glove.
That's why you laugh for.
Yo, you're the best here, man. Chat, use the gloves to me there, please. Click on the gloves and use it, chat. Click on the gloves and use it.
How are these?
Gloves now. Gloves now. Gloves now. Show them, I see. So you try to clap it, man, but they're not clap. Gloves, chat. Gloves. Them not clap. We not reach there yet, but we close. Gloves. So as me come back, you just give me a welcome party, not you?
Are you start
That is a welcome party. A welcome party that you give me, you know. Welcome party you give me, man. Remember me tell you that, yeah?
I'm jealous and I want to talk.
Jealous for what?
Eh?
Jealous for what? No fear pum pum.
I'm chat. Eh?
No fear
Focus.
pum pum.
In a bonio.
But me for what?
A bonio.
If you ever go through my phone, your ball. Make it turn where there.
That not nothing to do with me.
Make it turn where there.
Not nothing to do with me.
So if you try the things you bud me, you don't want me to do things you bud you, yeah? So behave yourself.
What about me?
Alright. Behave yourself.
No, okay, I'm born me.
But you know, you feel like you're too strong, yeah? Yes, a lady. Behave
And you
yourself.
feel like you're too strong, yo.
Then you think, me say,
You go like in a bonio, I burn you.
yeah, you know what me do things you bun you, man. Chat,
You know
snipe
matter what you
off me.
want to do, I burn
You know
you.
what me do things you bun you,
I
yeah?
have to speak the truth, I burn you.
You know what me do things you bun you. Give God
That's
thanks
since you
and
want me to
respect
go, I
you.
burn you. Is that
I mean,
nothing but
let me tell you
nothing?
something. I mean respect you, you know. I mean respect you. Cause if you say if you respect me, you're not even that try things to try off of my feelings. I mean respect you.
Come here, let me and a friend. Nothing not supposed to
What's
go on
wrong
the
with
type
that?
way.
Exactly. So why you
No,
try
why
hard
we
for
don't supposed to
something
bun me?
for? So why you try hard for something
Because
bun
the
me for?
bunion is evidently.
What is evidently?
Alright, my boss. Okay, stay. I'm thanking you, everybody.
There you go, Japheth, Trudy, Achiever, Miss Betty.
Everyone, thank you guys.
Follow me MVP then, please. Wanna follow your page at chat? Follow your page, me there. See, so you work for something bun me, man.
What?
You see
talk
moment,
out of my mouth.
you see moment me work for something bun you. You go to drop down here.
How I make?
Alright.
Oh,
You go to drop down.
I could have wanted that. So me go drop down. Me
Remember
want.
me is a retired girlist. I'm not the person to ramp with.
I remember say me is a triple
Yes, I
chat.
Yes, I what? Yes, I what?
Triple chat.
Yes, I what?
Me is a retire Ahmed.
Oh.
Triple chat.
I realize that sometimes you just talk, you know, you don't think before you talk, you know.
Well, triple chat.
Chat, focus them a thing.
You go like say, you go like say no. You go like you're buying it, man. You go like you're the biggest girl in the world. And a big girl want you. Nobody, you just go like you're the top girl in the whole Jamaica. So you go. But if me run through your phone, me mad. I regular me run through your phone and you sleep and me never mad. Focus chat.
I run through my phone, I lie at you.
Me don't talk to you. Focus chat.
I lie chat.
I'm chat focus.
Lie at you.
I'm never mad.
Lie at you.
Chat focus here. I mean I look on him. I don't know why I must say.
Me say, go entertain your viewers them, hear? Me nah nothing to prove right
I don't know why I must say.
Go entertain your viewers them, me nah nothing
Remember me no
prove.
Indian, you know.
Chat, catch a speed up for me there,
cool
please.
here and I hear them not pretty. And
Catch a speed up for me there, chat.
remember me no German. Remember me no talk Latin. Walk
Catch your
out.
speed, team. Catch your speed. Catch your
Too
speed.
hard,
Catch your
yes, to
speed.
chat.
Give me 2 heart them, chat. Give me 2 heart there, smarty. Nah, man, ladies, you know have to lift up, man. A monitoring spirit style I go on right so.
Chat to Anna.
Chat, me can't get 2 heart or a money gun. Me blood clot. We not catch you, you know.
One more. Chat the tripper. Me now go sit down here so in tree.
I'm know what she do. But I mean, as I say, a man my name, so I'm wrong.
No, I'm.
That triple my team. No, man, you're perfect, man. What you say, man? A woman a name, man. Yeah, you're a darling. Me a junk. I pay me no
See
money.
what me say? Me tell you with the
That
J.
looks a triple here for me there.
You're too full of yourself.
Triple chat. No, me a junk. Me tell you, darling. Hype.
Triple chat, yeah. Yeah,
Hype.
very much.
So wait, this girl over here try to things to burn me. And me say if she ever see it on my phone, she drop down. Now you first hype on me there, so.
Jay, I'm going to try to things in Bonner when we are just best.
So yeah, you just step on it burn you.
Oh.
It burn you like you just walk.
Can me know what we can me see it? You just a deny it.
The only
Alright.
thing me that talk about are the sick part.
Alright, in a
But you
Bonner.
just want it to be about the man part, though.
In a
No
Bonner.
man, in a bun.
Thank you, baby, in a Bonner then.
But you say if I bun for bun, you look still, me can't get that.
No problem. Bring it on. Two can
So
play
if I
that.
that you want do, trust me. Me know where you drop down. You still have all in Philip.
Oh. Why? Weird.
What me I say? Do your thing and do it in a secret, eh?
What?
Do your thing and do it in a secret. Hide
What
and do
is
it.
in a secret, pa?
Hide and do it.
I'm a single.
Me plural.
Sure, me can't go on with you, so. Me can't get one wheel. No, sir. Watch crowd. Go on and make it back a 1,000 chat. Bring down my life to 1,000. You do. Can't take the crowd. All I want to follow up my page and put your 70K to me do. Or something. Follow the page or something or beef or something or no go on then no man. Everything done here. Go on, man. Thank you, I'm Jamaican. Thank you, baby. I thought we somebody to something.
Work with me and give me a snipe. Give me that winner. Give me that winner. Give me that winner. Give me that winner.
Focus on snipe.
Give me that winner, chat. Focus on snipe. You can't win a match. Cause woman them think me a dog shit. Yo, be say, in this life as a man, not just this.
I'm chat snipe. Somebody snipe this now. Two money god snipe.
Outstanding. Big up. One more Gallico.
That snipe now.
And get a break. Virgo! Boy! We win? We win. Good. We win. See that?
Thank you,
We get a
baby.
break right there. So big up your
Thank you, no
message.
love is. Thank you.
Ang! Big up! I guess everybody know hate me then. Wanna keep on? What channel? What channel? Diamond. From here start series. Me come back on the story time.
What you mean? Money per time, yes?
But what kind? Past tense or present tense?
I don't know because you remember saying your tricks and trade matching back to business, you know. Remember say you is an intelligent man, you know. Regularly, your story time and go out with you say, what you talk about? How much time it costs to see as you do work? I'm Jay, leave it here. Triple chat. Triple.
Me say, you know me love boy you. You always can see for me wrongs them, you know. And
I'm
kill you
chat
dead.
triple.
Kill you dead. In a J brain you not do nothing. You're saint. Hey, listen to me.
I regular me come here and
Listen to me now. I've
triple
been
shot.
down this road before.
Me all me fi see it when me do me talk. When me do things me talk, brawling.
I've been down this road.
When I feel like
and
it,
I've
you
seen
hide
this
it. Me do something me
morning
talk
time.
loud. I have
You
come all
hide
your
it?
yard. Me come all your yard, you
What you
shoot
know?
your ground. I'm
hide
tired
it?
of that. I'm tired
You
of
hide
that.
it? Alright, here she said chat, me hide it. What that sound like to you? Respect. Even if
Respect.
it was true,
Respect, I
what
will live
that
in
sound
a
like
state.
to you?
Respect, I may live in a state scheme. I'm coming here, come to sleep. And I mean, I can
So
call
what you know?
you. I had an
So let me
answer.
ask you a question. You not just say me and your friend. So what the
Yeah,
problem?
but what you say?
So what you complain for? You not say me
Come
and
here,
your
call
friend.
you. If me and your friend, why you
So
don't
what
want
you
answer?
complain for?
So why you don't want answer me and not
Because them time down you call me asleep most of the time for true.
10 rose shot.
Yeah, me know say we are friend, but you complain. Say
No,
yes,
we,
it's like I'm
you
bad.
tell me over in my head say we are friend. You. Don't
I
pick
yes,
on
so we
me.
are friend too. Yeah. So what?
You're ringing at me ears.
I yes, so we are friends. So
You're
what?
ringing say we are twin.
Yeah.
Let's
I will
stay
say we
here.
are twins.
You
So why
say
problem?
twin. You say twin. Me beg you backers. You say twin. Me cannot give you no backers because our relationship gonna mash up. Keep it friends. I regular me beg you. Shut arm. Use it to double as a chat.
And something wrong with that, I tell you?
Yeah.
Why is something wrong with that?
Something happen wrong with that. Let
Why?
me give me it.
So why a man can come around here and just genuinely want a friendship with you?
Me no want no.
Say if you don't want none, where you are the yesterday?
Come and grow you out and just accept it. Double chat. Just accept it now. All along me never used to accept it. Me never used to accept it. Remember, I was so jealous. I was so jealous when I tell me not my grave and angry and vex and I use it. You know. And since when me tap do that, you know. I'm not afraid to tell you. I was so jealous and I hate you and vex you and daily that I use you. And I chat one of girl me not use you. Start time, I'm dumb man. Me dumb and you know it. You know. You know. And since other day, me tap do that. Come see, she had a ring his friend and me ears now me realize you really, me a wall out and say, alright, then he's soon there with me one day. And me see you really not there with me. So me just come to reality. And you know too, cause me so vex and vex, you know. I mean, I say nothing, me don't know girl nobody can afford me vex and deal with you know. You know. You know. I mean, I tell like I hide it. Me hide it. Me dey wait say if you go make up my mind one day because I go touch you. I mean get the little backers. But me say me nah get it.
The backers alone are there, so I pray, you know.
No, me just say, me just talk to you.
You know,
no,
you're not praying no future-wise,
no,
you know,
chat, me
just
just put in
backers,
a man look
just
joke
backers.
content. No, no, so I'm serious, but me just put a little part
I
of
just
it make it
backers, man.
sound.
Me see what I go.
Chat, me just put a little part of it in it feed us sound a little bit joke, but I'm saying, me sit down and wait for the relationship. You know me nah hide, me attack for my feelings, brawling. Oh, brawling. You know, can you so couldn't tell me nothing about no girl? Anytime reason about girl, me not dealing with it, me tap
And
dealing
when
with
you
it.
get, watch you know, chat, the backers, then they don't make no sense. I'm not get it.
Why ain't gonna make no sense?
Me nah no use.
Bet you when just give you with us to talk again, and me don't know say alright then. Me get something more than we
Me
go
nah
for
no
some
use.
malice. And me not
Me
get
nah no use. Me nah put you down that board on the road there.
You better when give you with cuss and throw down and malice then. Me know so me get something for cuss sir. More than
Oh, yeah.
me just go there sir. I just a cuss and point up like nothing. Go on Jay. Jay me hate for this you know. Me I tell you na camera you saw. Me have up you. Me I tell you, me I talk my mind right now. Me I tell you my mind yes so. Me I tell it. You have up your feet.
Because Diamond get everything she wants, don't.
Walk up. Throw some on the screen, that's so.
Because
You have
Diamond get
your-
everything she want.
everything me want, when me get. When me get everything. Wow. That me not spoil you too. Must spoil you too. Everything
I deal with the spoiling and oh, for you realize how we are friend I get mean like go on by your business. Me not mean to you same way.
I mean,
But right no.
yes.
You know my bad.
You stop buy me gifts.
Why me stop by your gift?
You me get mean to me too. You stop buy me gifts.
Eh? No man, true things not go fear way, man. You turn a meanie. You know? You turn a meanie. But here I go I know.
Then if you mean with your front
Me
part, women must
respect
mean
you.
with my money. Go on with it. I me keep moving. Go on, man.
I fear money you're supposed to mean with it.
Are you first stop? Look here now. Stop put things by me. Are you first stop by me if I me just can't me stop by you too?
Not even
The last gift. The last no,
in general.
me look for roses.
Yeah, sorry if y'all care, me go somewhere she complain, but she will do it, but she go on bad first.
Jesus
And frown a little
Christ.
bit. No, you will frown a little bit and go on bad with you. You will frown a little bit and go on
Never
bad.
have me be care now, my friends. Oh my J, don't say that.
Jesus Christ, that gonna make me look like a. Alright, I'm sorry, I never do that.
When me frowns, tell me one night time, I'm going to tell you if me frowns is true. You know me playing.
You never frown it?
Like if me a kick out, me with frown. When me a kick out, me not frowns.
You never frown till all nowadays. Me I say every time me ask if you do something for me is a problem. You know remember them time
Me
when
never tell me they use okay when they cuss me. Me never use you. You never rough me up. You never talk to me so aggish way.
You just want perfection. At that.
No, you never talk to me so aggish way. Okay, when you tell her, chat, me tell her, oh, this a man a stay. You say this a man and I'm problem. You take you out for me.
Me Papa Jesus. Say God no.
All the while. And then now when he go back and look into himself, he said,
No say
he said,
man.
Shorty, when me say problem, me not talk like money. Me not talk like money and so, you know. When he in an Iber zone, I feel like nobody don't like him, he just rush me. He listen to me saying rush me. You see what day me get him for live? Me get too much rush before me could get him for live. Me not go live, Shorty. Say what day, bad man. Me have to dig in his skin. Party, me this follow this a youth, me abide him long time. Cause sometimes man just run away for nothing. Me text all them and them answer back till 3 days time, them and answer me. Them and they ignore me text, answer me when they feel like answer me. Yeah. And
Sometimes
they never reply. That sometimes I never reply to it.
Chat, beg you one rose at the place.
I'm
rose
10
are
rose,
10
chat.
rose. 10 rose.
I don't understand me I go through this man here, you know. You see this man here? Some man eat beer swim around. And sometimes I don't want it. And to me I please him, me buy it. Me steal cookie. You don't know how this. And this man every day if you cook rice and peas give.
Hey, me no want none of you tell me no. Hold on, me no want none of you tell me no in the comment section.
Me spoil you too.
Why she remember your body and not talk no good? You no come out of my comment section. You come like do as I say. Chat, use the double for me there, please.
That's how about me spoil like you not spoil too. You spoil too.
Virgo, thanks you know. Use the double chat. I realize that I would make her reach down the Emmanuel Road, you know.
Yeah, me eat a feet. And that me I try to tell you, me not afraid. Me not afraid, me I tell you. All I 9 months warm, me getting me eat for that. You should have job, one man. I tell you, me not busy if you don't want to tell me. Me I tell you, I'm double. Yeah, me I give me that talk, my mind to me, man. Double chat.
Now listen what you hear out there. Or what you think. Me nah no use. Me can't do nothing in a bed.
I never hear nothing about you. Me not care if you want.
No know if you think me skillful. Make you want if you see how I pray. But me nah.
Let me ask you one question. Oh, me ask you one question. So you never drop cross your mind no time at all like you that give me it? We are big man and big woman levels. You never, how me I sleep, you never drop cross your mind.
No,
like,
only part time I would have show would buy you, but me know it that we are gonna mash up. I want to keep my friendship with you.
every minute you talk about that, but me your friendship mash up right now.
Oh, me your friendship mash up. So what you do on the screen with me then?
And I'm telling me, man.
What you do with my whole life savings then?
I tell you, I'll take you and block you for everything you can't catch me back. That you do. And since me not get with me just out take when me can't take.
Okay. Only part time would have fling out pan you, but guess I go on now.
So me like me like this. So me ask you something, Jay. So Jay, when me asleep, I have something there and then sitting there. You say I'm a shift. You say man, more time I call sleep and I'm sexy in your lap. You never feel like you just fling, give me peace. Tell me I don't think say no happy.
Eh? Diamond, you're a woman, your body cock. You see me? You're sexy. Obviously, me asleep with them would have go stiff, but me just obviously you're my friend. So me just hold it.
So me ask you one question. Maybe when they come up on him, I get it though. Or true me not true no weight neither.
Would have hold out, man. Would have hold out, man.
See me every company?
Yeah, me twin.
Say that hold out, see me? Man, me think that true me not really true no weight still, you know.
Nah, man. You're far from that. Stop telling yourself so. So
come here, ask you one question, Jay.
Well, no, moderator. You can block some of them people for me. One of them on it sad. No, not been no say me and her bridging. When you keep on it sad, it's sad. You wanna go in today is a graduation, you know. You give me a graduation today, you see.
Welcome back, man. Welcome back.
Okay, give me one graduation.
Welcome back.
Yo. You say people them a rob me. You say people them a rob. Who now say yo, that mean him a fish for chew in so chew me no waller and choke a keep on her, that mean me a batty man. You tell me. Chew me no waller and fling wood pan her, that mean me a fish. No, me a just one of them man that we just know for all out. Me have her as my best friend. You see me? She not even know how important she is with me. You see every girl.
Oh, I don't know how important.
Hold on, me a chat. I chat to my people. You see, every girl when I lay down with every woman, me as a man, let me tell you something, chat. Me deal with that thing they call SAX like it's a job. You know, like when I go up on a work, forget to work, I saw me deal with. You see, when me in a bed with woman, me not do play sex and them look a badness there. Me deal with things for lick girl chip and them thing that for make girl love me and crazy over me. I saw me go to work. You see me? And then you see after in a long run, mash up, you hate me like pies and me not like you neither.
But right now,
you know how me and that, let me tell you something, you know how me last so long? Because we not lay down in a bed yet. Remember me tell you that. That's why me last so long, you hear? You see if me head it stay so boom and me cock you up and fling you up on a back as I want 4 months back. You would have love me, yes, insane love me, but would have mash up.
Come in, insane love you
I never want to risk that.
Come here, I mean, insane love you said you anyway.
I never want to risk that.
Come here, ask us, I mean, I love you insanely said you anyway. You don't know nothing about me, you just want chat. You don't lick no chip, where? And every chip easy for lick. Me, I hope the whole chip and easy for lick.
No, I chat him out, a woman on the name. No, I chat him out, a woman on the name. Be a chat, a chat. Come like, I know if things are true, me young, me not have experience, you know.
You know young, you're a big old dirty boy. You past 21 already, you know young again. And double chat, a 4,000 over here.
So if you want
to
hate my baby, so be it.
Me never hate you, me did hate you again.
Hate my princess, so be it.
Me never hate you again, my boy.
How you feel me when you go down a young street? You can't hate me. You have your fun, now you get your back water though.
Yeah,
water come out of your back.
Lace up, me I tell you like I want Chris Knight here.
Yeah,
Holiday.
they have fun.
Yeah.
They have fun.
Here.
I'm glad they get good lace up.
Me I tell you because me I tell you I need to kill me to my face bumpy.
I'm glad they get it, man. They deserve it.
Thank you, baby. So many deserve it for you.
How are you there, man? You still up on that?
Yeah. What you mean? I thought my mind, brother, you know how I'm there on to me. I thought
when me go by reasoning, several times, you still not understand. See, all me call my comment section, all I say, yo, I'm a fish for chew.
In your comment section.
First, me I see this. So, chew, me not lay down with one woman. Me a fish. Alright then.
Come here.
It's a good thing. Me not take money on them thing there from you, because you would probably want to shoot me.
Come here. Come here. Me not attracted to you.
Definitely.
Ow.
But you know what it is.
Me no know nothing.
What do you mean, boy, liar? No, I'm pretty woman. Nothing wrong with her. She's sexy and she look good.
I'm chat me a beg 2 wheel, yes, so me can't take the crowd for me. 4,000
Nothing wrong with her. But I don't feel like everything come out of my mouth are tricks and games. She's a beautiful lady. Achena, time are too precious for my play away, sir. You see me?
You still have play away, nothing you see a grow you out. I'm chat snipe now. 4,000.
When them for snipe, when I win, I'm if you tell them for snipe. But them hate me, I know still.
You never say, you don't say.
Me not say what? Hold on.
Actually, where you go? Oh.
Me not say what? Talk your talk, hold on, I'm change it.
Actually, come cut up the piece of chicken back now. Cut up and clean up it.
Ladies, when you supposed to can manage donut, they're gonna submit. Anybody send me 20 donut offer, me go no follow back.
Somebody say your body bus is star.
No, me not look one time I'm gonna share done. Oh, when they say me body?
Bus is star,
baby. Far from that.
Make it a walking beat.
Me cocky about chat. Far from that.
Me never feel it. At one time alone, me never feel it. For hotel.
Chat. Donuts. Blueberry. If you follow you, how much I tell send? Let me give you a follow. Soft body. No, sir. Far from that.
How much time I see, but what me I see? Not come cross the night.
You just set me up and make a thing look away.
No, come on. I just feel the answer today because me just want to talk my mind and done with this and not go back over it again.
Alright, let me put it out. Let me put it out there. Okay, Diamond. So when I'm around you, of course I want to hit. Definitely. But there's always a but.
What is the but? So look, my man, fuck the NG.
I can't convince you. So it don't make sense, me say no. Me can't
Talk, sorry, alright, me not cut you, alright. Talk. Take out one eye pass like chicken back. I just start saying big and cut them out, make a ring sit up. Just clean out the belly and so. Cut you out the door, nobody cut in here.
You see how me and her good for this long? Me and Diamond did a fuck. Mash up long time.
Every time I say that, we mash up no time already. But Jay, the way you argue like a man and woman, why difference? Answer me. I want to know why
you mean why different? You just want to put in a fear way so it's okay.
You argue like with it.
Rude,
argue like with it. Every time.
You just want to fling it in a year away if you say alright then, yeah.
But Jay,
so might as well we just show it down.
Jay, the only thing we don't do, like a real couple, is lay down together. We do everything as a real couple. We argue in a real life, argue, vex, want lick down each other, come out a car, cheer, pull all these things. Why me not see difference? Me not see difference. Me argue right through. Black each other, unblack each other. Why difference? Because yeah, in drug run the key like that so. Because you draw things about each other. You help me want to drive down past side where I feel lick you down. You draw cherry fling in my car. You see they cut ties with me. Because like a dog if you avoid me. You black me black you. You hand black me hand black you. We not chat to each other for days. Then we talk back. We are say what we not the only thing we not do I go in a bed. We do everything. Me cook for me, wash me, clean me everything. If you call me like me with me your wife. I pay you call me. Shadi, like me for pay. Water for pay. Okay, twin, I go take it on now. Pay your wife roll me do. Why difference?
So it's not okay if you be friends with a guy where you like?
Not with a cute face.
But you're cute too.
I can't be friends with an ugly guy.
But you can't be friends with a handsome guy. That don't make no sense at all.
May I be honest? It's not okay for me looking up in the... So if me and your friend, why you love rub me down, said it? Don't rub me down then. Don't hug me up.
Cause me just like comfort, that's what me
Don't
stay.
hug me up, don't rub me down, don't kiss me, don't lead me on, sir. You lead me on, sir. Mama think me there. That lead me on then, sir. You lead me on, sir. Cause you make me feel nice. You kiss me up on me. You hug me, you call me here, you cook for me. Yeah, rub me down and I see you squeeze. Cap lead me on then, sir.
That's what you call a genuine
No, friendship is not like that.
bond. Of course, that's a genuine bond.
And you kiss me. Mighty God. Chat donut, snipe, chat donut, 100 donuts.
Snipe for the donut them. Snipe.
Chat donut.
Shot one pipe donut when them
Chat donut,
everybody come but donut together.
Donut.
Yeah man.
Donut, chat.
Liquor on their back. Yeah.
You're talking now.
Yeah.
3.9K chat. I'm not gonna get
Alright, so what
500.
you know? So what you know like how you find a man now? Me fi stop. Rub it down and them thing you know.
Me don't find no man. It's just a one broke me get. The boy have you man can't really use it.
Look here, how you put that is so wrong.
Jamie don't find a man. Me could have bother with the rose. So me get a one bus in
But
my
you stop. Yeah, my God.
I shoot.
Woman, you're a star. You're not figuring
That
out one
got
bro.
nothing to do with me.
And the broke you and them have it there.
No, me have to me did need a bus. Me they go dead. Me have to
You're a
get a bus.
star, my girl.
You know, give me a bus.
Alright.
Thank you everybody. Chat focus.
But it's not you, so make sense. That no make no sense at all.
What? What don't make no sense? What don't make no
It
sense?
makes sense. You just get a one broke cause I know me.
Hey, it don't make sense.
Oh, if it makes sense.
You're not giving. So what am I going to do then? So I'm going to
But
just
you know-
one whole year straight.
No,
and then
no,
just spread.
That's not the case. But that's I say any
So Jay,
money.
let me ask you one question, Jay.
I have to make sure so you're man.
Yeah, woman led on. What do you mean? Enough a people man and I'm a man. Anyway.
Any man you give to do, you have to make sure so you're man that. Yes, a woman in your body sacred.
No, me alright.
Alright.
Mom told me lie down in your lap and you just rub me down, start comb me here, let me sleep and cover me and tuck me in. You know things say, you leave me on for? But see you tuck me in the J, rub up me in a towel and tuck me in the night time, kiss me jaw, comb me ear, cook food, give me.
Me just love him or something.
Can I say loving to everyone if girl may come around then? Me think me did special.
Me have friend? You're my only friend. Me have friend? Me not have nobody, you don't know that already? Me have nobody? Okay. Me not even like people. If you get around, it's hard for you to get around me because me not trust a soul. Me have trust issues. I saw it. Everybody when me they think a friend I were real, then I did it. Them never real for a man. Oh yeah, my friend. You there with me. You see me? And if me get old, me not gonna have no friend. Me gonna just end up lonely.
So your woman say, you know, like how you love kiss up with your friend, yeah? Your woman have vex. Remember me is single, so me could have do anything. I'm chat donut!
For at least somehow in my comment section start have sense and see what me I talk about now. When I get the reasoning, yeah. Finally, when I start pray my way, I know. Good work.
Thank you,
Chat,
Rasta.
come with donuts here. We're going too far. Donuts. Ladies.
Donut!
I understand. Oh, so much hot girl over here saying that we can't get donut. How much we donut? $10? Donut, man. Too bad. Marcy. Some more donut, no, man. Ren. Some more.
Jay, come here.
Sleepy. Some donut, no, man. What's hot girl there I can't talk to? Donut, no, man.
So where you see my Vans run for do with it?
I mean, I say we're pants for doing it.
Yeah.
First you get the money, then comes the power. Right after that, girls come along. Diamond, it's not save up no pants front, you know. Me a long time whore. I retire. So the pants front don't waste much time from them Asian days there. You understand what I say?
We expand.
From my foot there, my knee, me a joke. You know Dolly House days when me a 5-year-old, me in a sheet and curtain with gal I try push in? Yeah. Me a long time whore. So it don't make no sense. Nothing not safe. Me just the point in my life now where me I try take it easy and retire from all that drama. So when me tell you say me is a professional ethist,
Chat
me is a
focus on the
professional
man.
ethist.
Chat do what me have 5,000 people over about 3.5.
I don't think I lie me a tell. When you gonna ask me ex them. The only thing them can say my cross is them can't complain about me in a bed. Cause from me liquor me get broke out too early. You ever tell me say me blood clot so-called auntie.
I don't know
When me a
joke.
pitney. I don't joke me I make me so-called auntie when me a pitney I teach me be things where 5-year-old not supposed to learn. Yeah.
Chat snipe. Jesus,
You now win.
Chat,
Lick it down. Look how me tell her.
Chat.
Run it down. Run.
I'm tear, man. Thank you, my baby rascal, everybody. All of me nice, clean girl.
Good chat. But Diamond know them things that we have to talk about internet.
Don't come
Tell her.
here. Let me ask you one question. So you want to tell me, so the whole 9 months you save your pants, so you don't do nothing?
You see what I hear them me do something. You see me I do nothing with the two of them.
You don't do nothing?
You see me?
So the whole 9 months you don't do nothing? Say it hard, we go in.
That donut.
Lie wicked. This boy I cut. Wait, me tell you something about him. When he ready to bust him out, ready to bust him, bossy. When him cut Jesus slippers, you know, me don't really listen to him like he like a dog house. You can't back feed, you can't believe him. Believe him.
So well I know, so you not do nothing.
Then say me tell you, me go take a bus for the yeah.
Just where they alone?
Yeah.
Just where they alone?
Yeah. Where the I first me take a bus. I'm not
Sure
telling
you
like that. Me truth.
But that's how I ever show you like.
No, me truth.
So was it worth it?
Yes, me boy.
Was it worth it?
What? I mean, yeah, very worth it. It's tough.
Watch out now. You see next time you do something like that, make sure you're a partner, yeah?
Eh?
Next time you do something like that, make sure you're a partner.
I don't want no partner.
Me can go out there and joke 1 dozen woman. Me can go out there and joke 1 dozen woman. And it's okay because me a man.
But a one
Yeah,
man, so
woman.
it's okay, and a 10 man.
It no matter. The fact
But
say
a
I
one.
need to fear man. No, you want me boom conk in your head for have sense?
What you mean?
You're a star, my girl. You not do
Nah,
them
nah,
thing
nothing
there.
to do with that one, broke.
My girl, you're not a man. You're a woman.
It no matter. I'm a 10 man, a 1 man.
So when you want the next break, how it go?
Me go back for him. Me can't get it.
And what if he's not available when you want
Me
go?
go have it.
What you gonna do? Look what next break?
No, I'm go available.
And that's okay for you, though.
Yeah.
Sorry, I never see your work like what me see it.
Me nah no work,
You
man.
work more than what you do,
Me
yeah?
nah no work, man. That you make me feel so. Like me no work,
No,
no.
make you feel so.
Yo.
Now, but watch out now. Listen to me. Yes, when I go give away your pum pum, that not have nothing to do with me. When I go give away for your pum pum, that's on you. So nobody come tell me about me. Me did that hold your hand when I go give it away?
Now I'm there.
Me did hold your hand? Me did I bed and I demonstrate and I tell you what to do? So now mix me.
The teddy bear when I look.
Okay. I just make sure you take down my picture when you come here, yeah. Yes or no? So blood clear, no, yeah. Yeah, go on. Chat, donuts, me tape. No value yourself and your team.
Donut!
Don't bother
Rascal,
yourself.
thank you. Chat donut, no man.
My team, how we are do? Donuts,
Chat
chat.
donut!
I no vex, you know. But that's why she knows that she a star.
Me know say me a star, that not to do that, bro. At 9 months, me thirsty. Donut!
But you did fine, man.
Better you ain't give me. Make ever say better you give me. What me want man for do? Me no want no man for myself, but no problem. Just like you don't want no woman for yourself, me no want no man for myself either. It better for me, so. Oh, I think me want to do nothing. More me want to wash, more want to cook, more want to clean. More than me want my shoes to lace, just lace up and me go my ways. Focus.
Chat, everybody come but don't. Me done the reason you there in a car.
Alright.
I realize the fair reason.
Me done.
Chat, everybody come but donuts, my team. Donuts. Watch out now. My tappers them. We need way more taps than that.
I'm
We need
doing
a
nothing,
million
chat.
taps before
Chat,
we come
fuck,
off.
I'm a winner one, yeah.
No want
Chat,
a
bring
million
200
taps before me
donuts,
come
chat.
off my line. So
100
all like
donuts.
engineers then, we can power tap, they're gonna sub. Nedisha. Thank you very much, you know. Remember to follow me MVP them to chat. Snipe, them a come heavy. Shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up, shoot it up.
That's
Everybody
not
snipe together, snipe together.
We can't
Snipe
do this
together.
anymore.
Then we pass, you know, in a done, in a done. In a done.
Thank you, no galleys. Thank you, no galleys.
Chat, follow up Saint for me there, please. Follow up
Thank you, no galleys.
Japheth, big up. You know, a lady there in a ghost mode, she send the most donut. If
Thank
you
you,
don't
no
see her name,
galleys.
you don't follow
Everyone
her
I
for me,
yell
yeah?
Chat, bring the taps at half a million for me there. Thank you, no
Alright, with
galleys.
the 300 taps, power tap. So, Diamond.
Yeah?
So, the internet, they have to know so you get your skin lace up.
Yeah, me have to tell them.
Why?
I'm gonna have to share my story with me people them.
You know, certain things not read up on the internet, right? As a female. Before all that beat sense in your head, you know better.
No, me always talk about my sex them.
Before
you
all
don't know
that
that?
beat sense in your head, cause you have to do better.
That's why they know say you ain't give me car. If you ain't give me, they know me that talk. That's why they know say me no get to be true cause me that talk.
I realize that she not cat man a brawling badness she with it. You see it's a brawling badness man, but what you know? She don't want me if you talk, yeah? So
That now do hurt me.
la 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 1, 2, 3, see 1, 2, 3.
Me just come on and he fall in love with me. I want to try. Me say it hard to go eat. Focus!
You know that not sound cool when you sing it,
That
no?
not have nothing to do with me.
Cause you're a woman, eh?
That not have nothing to do with me. Chat donut,
Beg me
donut.
some donuts, she got
Donut,
too far.
donut, I told donut.
Beg me some donuts, team. Chat. So much people there, I can't get donuts.
That donut, donut,
Ladies,
donut.
donut size smallest gift, you know, about
That
$5 for a donut, you know.
That donut.
About
they are
$5 for a
30.
donut, you know.
That donut.
That's great. God bless. Big up for your donut, yeah. So that's I'm not worth $5.
Why is it
I'm
not?
gonna talk about 5 cents.
Chat,
No, man.
donut, talk on the
5 cents,
baby.
man. 5 cents a one for one donut. Make half a word 5 cents. Virgo, big up in my sister.
I
Chat,
know
somebody
right
catch her
now,
for me
but
now?
just some company. Nobody fi stress me, nobody nothing call me.
Anyways, chat, no focus.
Anytime you honey, you can't
You see that diamond man, diamond tomboy, you know. Kill her dead, she a woman, you know. Come like she forgot to pump.
Look me from time to time, but you do own me. Me no belong to you, baby, cause all me want right now a company. Go easy, go easy. Me do want nobody.
Yes, so I'm glad. Yes, so I'm glad we are friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are the same thing.
Yeah, that's why I'm glad we are friends.
We are the
You're
same
not gonna
thing.
get no company or family when you want, bro. Okay, yeah? Alright. You're not gonna get no company or family when you want, bro. Me glad we are. That's why we are there.
You look like you drunk, you lick your head there. Wherever. Me vex with the baby, you let out the pressure. Wherever. Focus chat. Donuts, thank you, my baby. And this is somebody alone that give me baby donuts. Donut,
Come on,
this is
lady.
somebody that give me
Watch
baby
out,
donuts.
watch out, sweethearts. Watch out,
Come on,
sweethearts.
travel with me,
Watch out,
thank you.
sweethearts. You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. You don't have to fret like one time. You see me? You don't have to fret like one time. She give away pum pum already. So anyone who want me, don't be afraid. Drop donut.
In your phone. $1 shop.
You understand me, I say, ladies? Nothing to be scared about. Drop it donut them.
All of them are looking and them there already. Much of them are them.
What we are talking about?
All the much text me see come
What
up.
you talking
Tell a baby me. Hey, where? Remember enough time I have before the text I'm dropping on me.
What you talking about?
Remember enough time I have before the text.
So what 20 man them are ring off your phone? What
Man,
kind of
them.
phone I call them? Ladies,
Man, them.
donuts. Come on,
Donut
chat, catch her for me. We're close. Catch her.
Chat, hurry up, chat, him a come. Chat. Focus.
Come on, chat.
Travel with me, thank you.
No bad girl no there can understand this
Chat,
down for me.
help. Chat,
No bad girl no there can run this down.
Chat, do
Come on, chat, run it down for me, sexy Jen. And the rest of the princess them, wanna big up on yourself, you know. Chat, run it down. Come on. Who can come up 55 in the last 8 seconds? Do it.
Do that, quick.
Chat, she run out.
Hurry.
Hey, chat, wait. Hold back, chat. It's too late. You're not so scared.
So, Jay, let me ask you one
You're not so
question.
scared.
Travel with me, everybody love you know. Travel with me, thank you very much. What else?
How are the question and answer?
I ask you one question.
I'll be a question and ask them. Yeah.
So,
Right now, make a girl they feel safe.
but they already know.
Girl, they not afraid again.
They already know say me and they already from beginning to look you. You tell them already much time them before you tell them say Diamond me G. What time I tell them that?
As me I say, 120 faithful them a ring off.
Jay.
With a different type of
Alright,
name.
Jay. So when alright, so we are friends. I'm
But if you go there, sir, make a reason, man. One
Well,
phone
no.
a ring off. Man, tell me the side I am here, ping. At least I know one of them girl that will go ahead and use phone still. Me like how you're brawling. I like them woman then go ahead and use phone.
So Jay, like how me wait 8 months ago 9. So me wear 1 year that bust me.
So let me ask you a question, Shorty. I never friendship that I pray for a morning.
Oh man, me come out. I'm not afraid with you for you look good. Come on, me come out.
So why you did okay? Why you did okay with it? So what the problem now? Why you did okay with it? So what the problem?
What am I okay with? Me ever tell you I'm okay with it yet? Me ever tell you that? Answer. Me ever will okay. Fabian. Me ever will argument with it?
Woman, stop calling me real name and going on.
Me ever will argument with it? I'm okay with it? No? When?
Much time me here is a Shorty. I'm telling you.
When? I'm jealous and vex. I'm gonna call one girl argument with me, not use me dumb in the car. You hear no watch and gone silent. You know, yo, me not want to read certain reason, you know, because you love vexy, you know. You know, say a man, me I look. You know, me no come about no friend. I just hear they say friend, me know why you look. Me know you feel like you no portion to boy. So when you say friend, me just say hee. Then tell me I pray you like dog. Yeah. That's the truth. I talk your mind today. Talk your mind Saturday. Chat, do or not?
Stop the man and behave yourself.
Behave yourself. Me only friend the ugly boy when I look good. Me keep as best friend.
This is your first one.
Yeah, me accept it now.
Oh, big up.
No, me accept it now. Me don't accept it now. Me accept it, yeah. Accept it.
And you know what I'm a 4-4? A friendship turning a relationship, you know.
Where?
But show you the pa yes, cause you want big good. You the pa yes.
You never plan to give me none at all.
No, I wouldn't hear belly, so you the pa yes.
Mine is live.
Father. Shorty body are the greatest. I swear to you. Chat, ladies, come with some donuts to me there.
You believe every word that me say, though?
Eh? What you gonna say? I lie, I tell now?
No, me ask me believe every word that me say.
Of course, I trust you.
Okay.
Trust you. Chat, donuts! Ladies, we're gonna some donut now. Same, big up your damn self, you know. Chat, if you don't make sure you go too far, we not go catch her. So what are you trying? What you can tell me now? Say, I lie, did I tell her me believe, though?
Hey, me ask you, no, me not tell you say I lie. Me ask if I believe every word that me say.
Of course. So what you try to say then?
Okay, fine. Nothing. Me not try to say nothing.
Talk to me now. What you try to say?
Nothing.
Believe
I
everything what you say.
believe every word that me saying.
Definitely. So what that mean?
Nothing. Shall bring it to 100. Bring it to 100.
No,
Bring it to
it's not
100.
psychology over here, son. Come out, you know.
Shall bring it to 100.
You understand? You're not using psychology over here, son. Okay.
How are you going to have a sugar day every day?
Yeah, who got off a tree?
Dry clinic, yeah.
Me ask you one day I got road.
Me just ask a small question.
Me, myself, and I.
Okay.
What's it to you?
Can me see something just make me ask?
You see what? What you see?
Just a ask. I'm just curious.
What did you see?
Nothing. I just curious and asking, sir. Shot bring it all of them to 100 for me now, please.
What happened to our eye? The boy thump our night.
What for do me eye? Which boy told me night?
Well, the people them say man thump in your eye, man.
Which man for told me na me eye? You see something to me eye, miss? So no blind, what for eye? What do me eye? What for do me eye? Want me cute?
They gonna some donuts now, make we catch her. They gonna some donuts, make we catch her now.
Well, boy,
everybody who can come but donuts, ladies.
Donut!
A 5 cent a one.
Donut!
A 5 cent a one. You can't broke on me.
Donut!
5 cent a one. Sexy Jen, big up in my sister all the time. Chat, everybody donut together. Chat, if you all we work together, we can
donut.
All are good as good as big up yourself. Catch her, chat.
Run.
Come on, team. No stop. Push, team. Push.
Chat,
Don't stop, team. Come by donut them. Coconut with palm tree with green heart and star. Respect.
More of a fish in an eye.
Chat. Come by donuts them. Now make we catch her. Some teamwork. She go too far. Jesus Christ.
Sometimes I know say, you see? Chat. Sometimes I talk.
Somebody, anybody.
Sometimes, you know, he would have thumb me up in the butt. Sure, you know, want to do it.
Sometimes everybody help. Who that?
But me think you would have do it.
Oh.
He not do it, man.
Who that?
He not thumb me. He just hold back.
Chat, come by donuts. How you talk me?
No. I can't use a perfect. You're mad? Where you talking from?
Oh, you're crazy. I could have been a chat.
That could have.
Damn, come by them with the clothes. She this
so
come by
donuts them. So the chair, Jack. Chat, hurry up!
Come by donuts them, chat. 26 donuts.
Focus.
Come by 26 donuts.
Focus.
Come by 26 donuts. Smarty combo 26 donut. Push it. Chat, we have to pass the 50. We can't stop at 50.
Chat.
Yes, them stop at 50.
Run.
Chat, we can't stop at 50. When the match done, couple seconds are left same way before it done. Good try, team. Good try.
Thank you.
I that today, but you see like how you always attack everything bad about me. When me drive the chair for lick you, and when you drive your car for slap me down, and what else?
Yeah, you're not toxic.
Mrs. Perfect. What else?
Me never try no car.
When you want to fight me off down at the hotel for what I don't know, what else?
Jay, when me drive car for lick you down, that part there lie, you know.
2 different times you try drive for lick me down.
When? One time ever try lick you down and I time when I jump out and I stop like about AC hotel listen.
What we are do with bonus in a donut game? What? What we are do with bonus in a
Sister
donut game?
Tongues!
This with the writer, sir?
Yeah?
Chat, use that what?
Triple
Donut
check,
game
triple
bonus?
we always a get it. What you talking about?
No, me just say that. And a regular game, a donut game.
Chat, use the
Chat,
triple
use
chat.
the donut them. Triple. Me not think it'll work. Sexy Jen, thank you.
Chat,
Triple
roast
chat.
not work. Only
Use the donut.
donut. Only donuts.
Only donuts, team. Only donuts. Hey, you're good.
Rascal, only
Burger
donut.
boy. So me ask you a question. You see me with that girl, you're not gonna feel no way.
Nah.
Yeah, I feel no way.
You ever see me that? Me ask you one question. You ever see me that man?
Oh, so that mean me not to make you see me with that woman.
You ever see me that man?
So that mean me not to make you see me with that
Let's
woman.
say if you ever see me that
Me I
man.
say, that you try say talk to me now. So that mean me not to make you see me with that girl.
Let's say if you ever see me that man.
Me know exactly what she say, man.
Slap down the 200 piece of one down the fuck. Focus chat.
That long into a O.
Oh no!
Chat, yeah, chat.
Only donut, my baby. Only donut. No rose. Only donut.
Chat, use donut and catch this. Only donuts
Come
can
here,
catch me
Jay.
here.
Be honest, Jay.
Everybody combo donuts together.
Come here,
and catch
Jay.
this
Be
speed.
honest.
Combo
You really
donuts
think-
and catch a speed, chat.
You really think, say, if me see how somebody might do something? Be honest to yourself.
Yeah, man, them way to try a thing, yes.
I mean, never got it.
Yeah, still mad them way to try a thing.
Nah.
Trust me, yeah.
How you do try your things? So make me try your thing. How you do try your thing? I do not give me, baby. This is not work for you.
So I'm not tell you say it now work. It come like it's a glitch. We're not supposed to get speed in a donut match. Chat, beg on some donuts. 6.1k.
No, no, chat. Chat at 2.3k people.
6.1k to number 3, chat. Beg on some donuts.
Say if you see me and somebody that do that. Nah.
That do nothing.
You do nothing. You know that for sure.
So you want me to do something?
Nah, me just ask if you see me and somebody that do something. Just like how you ask
I
me.
think that would have buzz you out, though. See you with that man and me, I'll drape you up.
Me, when I come here, one drip.
That would have buzz you up. So
So
I
that
will the man. Because I'm not the man fault. Are you will lead the man? And that in a relation. Hold on, I make a talk. But that always go on in a relationship, you know. A man go catch in girl with one next man and want to fight the man. The man not there, not a big man. Are you a woman? Are you a woman there? A man not there, not at all, yeah? Remember good. So if you don't want to beat up somebody for a woman or a man, no go on, they never do nothing. I don't them even know you did
So that means say, I'm if you drip up and thump you and I feel your face lead on me then.
What? Who lead on? Me lead on?
Yeah?
What me lead on with?
Oh God, me a kiss me and call me and me feel like you love me.
So me not love you?
Oh.
What? True me not love you if you lay down with you, that mean me not love you? Me love you.
Yeah, you know.
Tired, me tell you, you know, me not no friend, I am my only friend that me have. If me go there, I will top talk, me not gonna have no friend.
This is what one of the day when me run it. Let's jump high and pull it out. You go run me, you chuck, throw me down and go.
I go hold it like so. And put your right ass up, you sit down and behave yourself.
And now give me.
And down gear.
Then put me flick out in your sleep and jump on me. Yeah, push me out. My dear. Thank you, babies. My love.
Alright, that's so you violate with treaty right there, so.
My sister thank everybody thank on everybody give me a help thank on no chat.
Me a favor chat. Run go follow drop it.
Tap me there number 6. Chat you can't put me a number 5.
Follow Burna Boy.
Go number 5. Go back a figure. Are in front.
Follow all of me gift of them team. Please and thank you. Una follow a page at chat, follow a page.
So Jay, for that joke aside.
Yeah.
It's serious. You push me out? The Jojo? Jojo.
Yeah, cause I'm a virgin.
Well, me I go try, make you push me up, then me witness if it's true. Me have to try, make you push me up, if you believe it. Now maybe I true, me not try, me not really get it. Try.
That do not say I'm a team.
That don't listen to me, you know me not do that.
Do not stay.
Him know me not do that, him know
That
that.
5 that she there now, I'm gonna make you man 6, me just come back, man.
That
She give me a-
focus, do
she give me a
not.
graduation, make me get bring down. I know she got 6 me, a joking thing that. Bro, that 6 for me the team.
Jay know me not, him knows me not do
Bro,
that.
that 6 for me there. Anybody send me 20 donut and over, me follow no.
Jay, tell him say, Jay,
Yeah?
tell him say, me not do that, no tell him say, me I just memo out me I run.
Oh yeah, she gotta do that chat. That's how she stay. Donuts team, come in. Go in a wow.
Listen to him chat, no go so.
Alright, sorry for talking to you. Chat, come in a team, I beg you to work with me. Bro, that 6 for me that
Chat,
team.
do
We need
not,
some firepower.
chat, rascal
And a whole heap of people we have
chat,
already
put me a
together.
number 5.
Chat, I want somebody above
figure
you.
number 5.
Push team, push. Come by them, nah. Big up, nah, I'm follow you. Look like you send 20. Big up yourself. Chat, anybody send me 20 donut and over. Me follow on the back. Sexy Jen, me follow you along. You
Chat,
have
boy,
that. Big up.
donut, me want got number 5. Come by donut
Chat, come in
together,
with the
chat.
donuts, them my team. Ladies, if you know about donut can drop, just drop it for me, them side. If you know about donut can drop, chat, just drop it. She not, them not make a winning match, so you know, them are going to give you 6. Beg you no
Chat,
lens,
come
my team.
on. Chat.
Beg you no
Help me
lens,
there,
chat.
no?
Come by donuts, them my team.
Really no chat, you know me
Everybody
preach.
can
We have
come by
5 and
donuts,
lose the
chat. Come
5
by
nuggets.
donuts, team. Come on, chat, we're not losing, no. We're not losing.
That we are
can't just-
lose.
We can't just come back and get no
That's
6.
2,000 people there,
We
you know.
not take it. Come on, chat. 2,000 who can tap the screen for me. Who can drop a donut? Beg on on the team. All good as. Big up. Everybody come but chat. She go forward and make sure the ear man of make the
2,000
path
we
we and
there.
go to far. Shan,
Chat,
big up yourself.
2,000 we
Shan. Big up
there.
yourself. Respect.
Chat,
No,
focus.
I don't talk about it, no. Chat, push you up for me now.
Team.
Push you up. Come in, chat.
How
Don't
that?
stop. If you don't care, ring out the
How?
donut them team. Ring them out for
Me
the chat. Don't stop with the donut them side. Come by them with the 121. Come in a chat. I want more for your 6 you know. Come in. Auntie, big up your damn self. Sexy Jen, thank you.
Who that?
Hey, you good. Big up. Alright, chat. We pass her. We can't
You want one
wait.
picture?
Push.
When
Push
they-
the donut them team.
Come
on,
now, come in here,
get too
come.
comfortable chat. Push the donut them team. Push the donut them chat. Just make we broke your 6. If we lose the next match, nothing wrong. Just broke your 6.
What kind of gate you come?
Come by donuts them chat. A 2 bill she there as me blink to blood clot. I when that happen. I just blink a while ago. Chat, everybody come by donuts. You know help out Sexy Jen for me, no man? Sexy Jen, you come like a year alone of your purse and your side, girl. Let me know.
Focus, who want the picture?
So chat, girl, them alone
Nobody
like
take
a
with it.
purse. Out of 2,000.
All of them come.
Nah, man.
Kilo.
After me say out of 2,000 woman, I just one full of purse.
That
Come on, chat.
Focus
Donuts
with
team.
team. Focus.
Sexy Jen, Shan, big up, you know.
Yeah,
Chat,
baby.
just give me a push team. Continue combo them. Give
Come
me a
with the
push
baby.
shot. Cantina combo them.
Focus.
Princess, only donuts.
All
are
I
there,
want picture.
Cantina
want
donuts.
picture too?
Cantina donuts. What's
Alright.
celebrity? Combo donuts. Combo donuts. Come in, chat. Lala. Big up, you know.
Focus.
Yeah, big up. Chat, come in, push. Now we
That's what me go
start
take
the
to the
same
pick
way.
name.
Push the donut them team, sexy gen, thank you. Come in, chat, donuts. Don't
Chat,
clap. Hey, yo,
focus.
go then. Sexy
Focus.
gen. Nah,
Focus, chat.
body man.
What are we with
Jesus.
this?
Chat, donut.
Chat with your number 5. Chat, donut. Chat, we can't go.
Say, I will
Jesus.
catch you.
Chat,
We
me
catch you,
alone.
no
Chat
chance,
is 6.
come. Chat, come buy donuts them. Over there, come buy donuts for you.
Chat, rascal.
Come buy donuts, team. Come buy donuts,
That's
chat.
hell.
Come buy donuts. Come in,
That's
team.
6,
Come buy donuts.
Nugget.
Come buy donuts. Come buy donuts.
Together.
Together, chat. Chat, everybody, donuts. Come in, chat. Watch out.
What this one? Donut, chat together.
Everybody, donuts together. Donuts.
Chat to the head rascal, chat. To the head rascal.
Till the match done, team. Come on, donuts
Stop
till the
the
match
match,
done.
donut.
Combo donuts till the match done, chat. Combo them till the done. Team, just combo donuts till the match done now.
Teamer.
Everybody together.
6. Yeah, self. No, you come here like. No, me not put it in my life.
Chat.
Let me take selfie.
I want that to buck up, you know. God. Kill me dead away, I win, you know.
I want video. I want picture.
Kill me dead away, I win. But watch you now. Do me a favor now. You see, all of them girls that will come out and give me a strength. I want to no follow them. I could start from, hey, yo, good. Follow our page. 1 minute,
1 minute, Jamie.
You have auntie, dating man. You have auntie, follow auntie. You have Nay, follow Shan, follow Life, follow Virgo. All good. All that girl them in my bubble. Give them a follow for me there. My tappers them, all heap of love and respect. Big up on yourself. Chat, we are coming off for 1 million taps. Everybody who can power tap or can send a donut team, just power tap a screen for me there, please. Celebrity, go and go take picture.
Alright, later.
Everybody who can send a donut chat, just combo.
6 for 6, Dad.
Combo taps them.
Number 4 with the chat. Focus.
You know why you win though?
Why?
About cups make you win.
Buck up here.
About cups make you win, man.
You chat no wicked like rascal. You idiot.
So I want somebody do with that?
Yeah. I want somebody take you down a while ago.
I lie you tell. I
I
want
want somebody
bad.
take you down, brother.
One somebody in a bad so.
I want somebody take you down, bro.
I lie you tell. One person a bad so. Oh, she alone come with 500 donuts so quick. That have to be a group work thing I go on over there so.
No. The people them help but I chiefs anymore. Why?
Chat, take that 6 nuggets off of me there. We can't make she leave with them, you know. We can't make she leave with them, chat. So all who can bust a small donut recharge team.
Me no
Bust a
want
small donut
no.
recharge.
Hey, come out of my chat, but me want. What you know what me want? Me no want no. Me alright in life. You know, say me no shine again. Come on from me say and go ahead, dirty man. Too enough. No talk.
You know, you keep on a ring it out in your ears so you get your broke. We here for the 300th time. We here so you get your broke, you know. We here. Yeah?
Me nearly tired on bono broke. What I'm gonna say?
You still ain't no shine again. We know what that mean. We understand.
A difference of you wanna ask me also.
You got a broke, okay? We get it. Alright. We get it. Chat, beg on some donuts them team. We can take them 6 nuggets a man, them run out. Me know no money no left back there. Rihanna! The 1 10 of them no yesterday. Anybody send me 20 donuts and over chat, me follow.
What are you not say?
We have to beat her.
You rain done. You should clean inside
Come
first.
in my team. Come bust some donuts to me the chat.
You rain done. Actually, the whole trip when I checking back, you cut up big cook soup.
Same person did that test for strength in it, so we are going.
Eh? So wait there. Now 2 parts are 3 pounds.
Yeah.
So you take, you cook, you take.
I will say 1 person for the
Chat,
boat.
anybody who can come but donuts.
Tell me you don't go there about 3 pounds, you sit back.
Anybody who can come but donuts chat, beg on some of them there.
The wicked dog. You know, it's alright, no, but season up a little bit. To cook a little rice and just cook 1 small pot of soup. Because we're hungry later.
Yeah.
And curry some.
Yeah.
Cook on to boy, yeah. Thank God you have a good auntie.
Tamisha, big up. Thank you.
Shot donuts, 6 nuggets, shot
Chat,
donuts.
everybody come boy donuts them, no make we take nuggets them. I wish you get them off, I know so nothing wrong if you take them, Shan. Thank you. Chat, everybody we can work together with the donuts them. Only donuts. Island, big up for heroes them, but only donut we can use, yeah? Everybody we
Chat,
can combo donuts.
donut.
Combo some of them for me the chat.
Rascal! Now the building one in
Everybody combo donuts. Jesus Christ.
Look, tell us you want somebody to take it down. Look now. Look.
Chat, everybody combo donuts together. 6 nuggets, so can take them.
Look good.
Combo donuts together, we no weak.
No
Donuts
weak
team,
like,
donuts,
no weak like I've run a number 15 on the board.
Donut. Combo them team. Don't stop chat. Combo donuts them. Rascal bad, you know. So if we are combo donuts team, any amount of donut I can jack my side. Combo them. See Tamisha, bad, you bad.
You know what's my head boss?
Yeah, follow. Auntie, big up. Hey boy, boss head. That not nothing to do with me.
Which boy be boss me head? Which boy you talk about?
Hey there!